Hello, hello, my friends. Testing, testing, one, two, three. Testing, testing, one, two, three. Okay, okay, great, great. Ah, what is the market doing? Should I cut off my positions or not? Okay, let me scan through and see how is it. Okay, this is okay. VIX definitely looks like it's going up. Let me see my positions here. Anything that I need to cut? Amazon looks fine though. Let me see Amazon. Uh, Amazon. Okay, no worries. We'll wait until market open. Then after that, we'll make a decision whether should we cut off those positions or not. Meta actually looks great though. Meta. Yeah. Google. Google definitely doesn't look like it's ready as of right now. So we might need to wait for a little bit more. Let me change to white color. Okay. What else do we have? Okay, Google doesn't look like it's ready. Microsoft. Hello, good evening, brother. Not yet, not yet. I just started scanning through, done with the China stocks, and right now looking at the US stocks. I'm thinking whether should I cut our positions or not, you know? Because kind of look like, the market will pull back though. But then I will wait for a little bit until the market open, maybe for 30 minutes or something. So if it doesn't have much strength, I might cut some of it. Apple should be the very, very first one, followed by Amazon, I think. Yes, today it looks like it's pulling back a little. I'm still expecting that larger pullback, but I'm not too sure whether it will happen or not. But there's one thing I definitely don't like about SPY. Later on, I go back then I show it to you. Right now, still don't have much opportunity leh. Yes, brother, nalak mai. Cute or not? Yes, it's so short, man. Hi. Yeah, I always go to my friend lah. Then after he will do all sorts of funny haircut for me. So I will always say up to him. Then today I was using my phone, I was planning all the script and everything. The moment I get home, I want to start filming the course and everything. Then the moment I raised up my head, I was like, "Alamak, brother, you okay or not? Why you cut so short?" And he tell me must style lah, everything. Then I look at him. You think I will style my hair? But it's okay lah, my hair grows back, quite fast. Yeah, I think by end of the month it will be quite long already. I look at my hair, I want to laugh, man. Yes, I also feel like coconut. Funny. Yes, William, get down again. I'm thinking though, I feel like cutting off Apple and Amazon, but I need to wait for the market to open, see whether is there, any strength coming in or not. Sometimes pre-market it does go down a little bit, then after that it starts to go up again. Yeah, I also think like it's a bold cut, but he showed me some, just now when he styled it, it was quite nice. It was quite nice. It's like some, oppa hairstyle like that. But I don't even know how to style. I don't even have hairspray. I only got wax. Yes, this market is definitely quite hard to trade. Uh, I'm still expecting that larger pullback, but I'm not too sure whether it will happen or not. That's the thing, you know. So right now I'm scanning through and see what do we have. It's just now someone asked about Upstart, is it? Upstart. I think someone asked about Upstart. Oh, Dash. Upstart. Upstart, I think, yeah, I think right now we are still, you know, in the consolidation here. Don't know whether we'll get this leg going up or not, but it does looks like, you know, got one more leg coming down to break this low. Maybe then you'll start the upside. Really hard. Keep ranging fake. Break out a lot. MTL, okay, can MSTR. Okay, one moment. I'm going to scan finish already, huh? Just give me a moment. Finishing soon. Okay lah, maybe RMD not bad. Oh, no, hard looks good though. Hard. But this stock it moved quite slow, so I'm not too sure whether this will be a good trade or not. But no matter how, I just set an alarm, then I'll come back and revisit later. Okay, snow definitely look nice. I like snow. Snow, I will set the alarm at about 208.4. Okay, MSTR. MSTR. Still not ready as of right now. So you can definitely shift this trend line. Need to wait for this breakout though. It's definitely not ready yet. Yup. How about coin? Let's see coin. Wait. Oh, nice. Coin broke out, but then this one you have to wait. You have to wait for a bit of consolidation before buying. Yep, this is for coin. I definitely like coin more than MSTR as of right now. But if you take a look at Bitcoin, right, Bitcoin is actually coming down, huh? So based on how it's developing, I do think that we have one more leg coming down to test the 100,000 again. And this time around, it might drop slightly below 100,000 before you get that upside from here. So if Bitcoin is coming down, I think MSTR coin will come down together a little bit as well. So definitely both of them doesn't look like it's ready to take any trades. Okay. Let me see. Guys, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the, sharing of the live stream. Thanks for the like and everything. Why this market so difficult to trade, huh? There's not much opportunities anywhere though. Even new is garbage. LI nothing. Baba also nothing. The only nice one is Baidu. Yesterday when you said MSTR can short, what will be your TP and SL? MSTR yesterday. Yesterday I say can short. Really? Oh, I think I know already. It's actually it's actually a day trade. So it's something like that. So if you short somewhere here, I will just place a stop loss, maybe about this high, somewhere around here. Cause got news. What news for MSTR? Is there any news for MSTR? Yes, the first class action. Okay, the lawsuit. Yep, so if yesterday I shorted it, right, I will definitely, I think I will short somewhere here. Here or either this candle itself. Then after that, I will just place a stop loss right above here. So it should be about 382.7 around there. Okay. Oh, you guys, the memory is so good, huh? You see, I'm really very forgetful. Whatever I read about, one day later I forget about it. As long as I'm not in the trade, I don't care. Yeah, this is me. So sometimes you all have to, remind me again. Okay, MSTR, if you're really interested, you can draw this trend line, but because there's no first class lawsuit, I do think that MSTR potentially can drop down to around here. one more leg coming down. That's when I think more or less, things are more settled down, quiet down. Maybe then from there you'll get that move going up. But as of right now, okay, I really don't think there's any opportunity. So yep, MSTRs try to stay out. Look for coin. It will be I think better option lah. Okay, we have about 3 more minutes until market open. Let's see what the market does. Oh, you really shorted lah. Nice. Yep. If the things escalate, I think you'll make a lot of money. Really, if things sometimes all these lawsuits can escalate like crazy. If you remember SMCI about last year, I think it was last year or something about SMCI. So this was the part that because they failed to file for their annual filings or quarterly filings, I can't remember already. That's when you see this huge drop. And look at this drop. So from the closing over here, it tanked down roughly about 63% in a matters of 17 days. So this can also happen to MSTR as well. Because right now it's actually due to their financial statement. I think they have a special way of yesterday I think we were reading the news, right? They have a special way of doing accounting, and I think it doesn't fulfill maybe the SEC regulation or something like that. That's why possible can dump quite a lot for MSTR. But of course, if you shorted yesterday, I think you can move to break even right now. Yeah, usually when things escalate, this likely MSTR, you see a huge gap in them. Like let's say for example, you go to 4 hours. Maybe right now at this current price, it might already gap to here or around here. You shorted at 380. Good. Around, I think if I shorted yesterday, I think also around that price. It's quite good. So even moving to break even, it's quite good. Unless you want to secure some profit, then you can take it off. If not, you see whether we'll continue to dump even lower or not. Yeah, because usually when I trade this kind of bad news, I usually try to hold them. Then like SMCI, although I didn't hold for 17 days, I think I hold for only 3 days. 3 days I got out already. So I remember very, very clearly is over here. Yeah, by then I have not started the Discord group yet. But that time I think I still sending inside WhatsApp group. So only for 3 days I got out. This market play, buy, call or put option die very fast. Yes, the 0 DTE, you need volatility. No volatility at this kind of market condition, you really will die. Unless you look for, maybe 50% ROI on your 0 DTE, maybe still possible. If you're looking at 100%, 200%, might be a bit difficult. Learn from you, haha. Can. Random, when there are news like that, sometimes it can be quite fun. Especially when you shorted, then after the next day it gap down. I tell you, the feeling damn shook. I think I shorted a few times, something like that before though. What was that ticker symbol? Shop, is it? Shop. I think is it shop? No, not shop. I think it's SE. SE. I think I shorted SE. There was one of the earnings. I forget it's earnings or what. I think it's here. It's quite a long time ago. In 2023, it's also. Oh, I think earnings. This one is because of earnings. I went to short it. It's also quite fun. I forgot what happened over here. I think they have some very bad news about the company since maybe the past earnings or something. So the next earnings, I thought it was that bad as well. Then I shorted it. It was fun, man. Shorting of the market, during really market downturns, it's seriously quite fun. Your profit day after day, the profit is like really a lot. Okay, market open now. Come, let's go back to SPY. Let's see. Okay, go up, SPY. Go up, please. Whew. I got insider news. Maybe a bit. I have this friend. He works in DBS, so sometimes I ask him a little bit of things, then he share with me a little. But it's always not accurate. I don't trust him anymore. Okay, guys, I have a announcement. If you all are interested, to join the Discord group, I have a free trial for 30 days. If you want, drop me a DM for the first 50 people. After that, I will send you a link. You just click on the link and then you'll jump right into Discord. Okay, come on, go up. 208 alert, is it? 208, what thing 208, 208. What is it, the 208? Snow. Oh, snow. Snow, yes, 20. I think about 208.4 around there. Actually, I like snow a lot though. Snow is looking great. Uh, yeah, so far it's really looking great. Looking great. If you're a bit more conservative, you can draw this trend line. Wait for this breakout. Once you get a breakout, snow maybe it can go. Yep, something like that. This will be quite a conservative trend line. It's quite a distance away lah. So right now we are actually quite, just now price went very close to the alarm though, but then didn't trigger. What else can we look at today? Affirm. No affirm, no opportunity. How about this? Come on, go up lah, go up, just go up, okay? Don't wait anymore. Go up. Hood nothing, EL nothing, DDOG also nothing. All these small and mid cap stocks, they're all pulling back quite hard because the IWM is also pulling back. What is this? RXRX. Something to consider. Why you're set on Affirm? Affirm coming down, huh? Affirm, where's my Affirm? Okay, wow, Affirm looks. You took profit already, but at this current moment still looks okay. Not too bad, but I don't have a setup for Affirm as of right now. Yep, don't have. Okay, guys, thanks for the follow. Thank you, my friends. Yep, Affirm I definitely need to, wait for a little bit. Ayo, this TDD drop down again. Wow, today what can we trade though? Like, what is there to look at? Like nothing, eh? Hey, Uber, wait. Let's see the daily chart. Nope. Let's continue. A lot of stocks over here are all, the Cathy Wood's watch list or her portfolio. A lot of them don't look very nice as of right now. What else do we have? Nope, seems like really nothing. I scanned so much already. How about all this? Dell. Wait, Dell might be one though. Something for you to look at. Dell broke out already, friends. Dell something for you to look at, but for me no, because I have quite a number of tech stock. I also have long-term investment in them. You all can see clearly. What do you mean see clearly? Oh, CRM going, guys. Come on, all go up, please. Oh, if you are okay, let's see. Goring, if you are talking about me scanning through the charts, right? Yeah, usually this is how I scan through the charts. I go through very fast. But of course, when there's something I like, I will stop lah. But currently, really don't have anything that I like. AVGO. Okay, possible AVGO. Broadcom. Look for this breakout. Might be coming already. Let me look at the 4 hours. Okay, fantastic. Broadcom. Something to look at. Set the alarm. Oh, I set already. Ah, nice, nice. Lasinoma. Okay, okay. Great. I'm glad that you can catch up with it. Very, very good. Nice. Good job. What else? Okay, Meta also going up a little. Oh, finally our Amazon is moving. Meta, another one for you to consider. Maybe I will take Meta today. Mm, yes, I'm actually doing swing trading. Nasi goreng. Yes, I'm doing a lot of swing trading, a little bit of day trading, a little bit of position trading. Yesterday I did take Amazon for a day trade. I convert it into a swing trade. So usually when I take day trade, I like to convert them to swing trade. If I don't see a potential to convert into a swing, I will not take it. Okay, Apple is quite garbage, huh? Hopefully it will go. If it doesn't go, likely I think I will cut it off. Your screen so small, can't see your indicator. If you want to see my indicator, I can, open up everything for you. If you want, can take a screenshot, then you zoom in lah. Yeah, so these are all the, the common indicators. APLD. APLD. Let me see. What is this though? Okay, let me go to the weekly. Wow, bro, this kind of stock, I don't dare to, give you advice though, because if I look at the monthly chart, it started way, way back then. I think it was 2002. So that's like 23 years already. And from around here, this is like 2008. It's stuck here like that though. See, it's stuck here for a very, very, very long time. So usually I see stocks like that, I get a bit scared lah. So unless you know the the business, maybe you can take a trade. But for me, usually I see something like that. Why I'm scared is because a lot of times when you see stocks like that, right, they will do this kind of move. Then after a while, it will go into this, consolidation for a very, very, very long time. Then before, you see over here also same thing. After consolidation a long time, you have a spike up. After consolidation a long time again before you get another spike up. Yeah, but I'm a little bit afraid of this. So, bro, see. Yep, if you have, a plan for this, definitely can go ahead. Um, Over here, I also don't have a setup for buy unless I get, an impulse going up, maybe some sort of pullback, maybe I will start buying. This is what I can tell you lah. Yeah, maybe some other instruments I can help you, but this one, I'm scared though. Okay, AOKLO. Okay, guys, our positions are moving a little bit. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Market is going up. So, ใจเย็น nothing to be afraid of. Okay, OKLO is energy and quantum got whack. A lot of people recommend to me lah, but usually my style is, I can consider conservative lah. Then after that, I usually only trade those big names. Those names that I don't know or I have no idea about the company, usually I leave it out. The reason is simple. I'm looking for consistent growth rather than getting rich, suddenly. OKLO. I think quite a few asked about this ticker symbol before. So for me, currently I got no setup. I definitely need a pullback, even if we go to 4 hours. 4 hours, if I get something like that, maybe I will buy. So something, pulling back over here, I will start buying. Intraday strategy. I do use VWeb. VWeb, then after that I combine with alert wave, price action, and also smart money. It's basically what I do for swing trade, right? I do it on day trade as well. Just that it's a bit more fast paced. I drop down to like 5 minutes, 1 minute chart, and then I take those trades. Come on, SPY go up, can or not? Please, just go up. Don't store anymore. Go up. Go up. HSI, I like it. I like HSI, brother. I like HSI. Uh, beautiful lah, beautiful lah. I have a long-term investment in 2800. So it's basically like HSI. I'm still holding it. Currently it looks like there's two ways it can develop. Either we are going up from here. If not, I think that might be one more leg coming down to break this low before we get the upside. Yeah, but for HSI, I think as of right now, there's nothing much for you to be worried about. I do expect I have a target for HSI. Let me see. I think it's on the weekly chart. Yeah, I think I'm targeting about 27,000 around there, around 27,000. Yep. So by then, okay, let me see 2800. Yeah, because I bought at $19.50. So by then about $27. Yeah, not bad lah. I think not bad. About almost 39% ROI on the long-term investment. I think not bad lah for a short few months. Set my TSLL. What happened? Tesla going up, huh? Coming down a little. I have, I short a put option for Tesla. Right now it's still not making money. Like, I still need, but I don't think Tesla will come to 295 because my shorting of put option is actually at 295. So I don't think it will come here. Likely, high chance breaking this low. Then after that, from here it might start to go up. Bro, you think SPY coming down today? I do expect a larger pullback in SPY. I do expect, at least maybe one more leg to break this low before the upside. I do buy a few swing trade lah, but then some of them are in profit, some of them are not. Most of them are in profit. Only Apple is not in profit. Slight negative only. Yeah, but this week I think it will be quite slow, and we have FOMC, we have interest rate, but likely even those with those two events, I don't think it will be quite eventful where you see the market plunge. But this week I do expect it to be a little bit slower until next week. Maybe next week we will start the huge rally going up. Because if you look at this is like the seasonality AI lah. So I just drag it to 60 years. Then after you look at the seasonality for the month of June. So from June until July, I try to highlight for you. And today we are 17th of June already. So if you look over here, 17th of June, same, do you see this? 17th of June later, it dumped all the way down to 26th of June. So likely, I think this week we might see something like that. Then next week will be much better for you to hunt for swing trades. And when the swing trades come, you will have a huge rally until the end of July. So I think this 1 month, try not to miss it lah. Although seasonality is seasonality, these are all historical charts. Sometimes it doesn't follow. So you do your own analysis and see whether does it fulfill your trading rule or trading plan. If it does, take the trades and hold it until end of July. Maybe you'll make a lot of money. Okay lah, is SPY really coming down? I think I will cut some of my positions. Although today it doesn't look so good though. It's a bit slow. Almost 15 minutes into a market open, we spike up a little bit. After that, we come down already. MU also key xiao. MU. MU. Oh, MU is nice though. I think the nicest one is actually AMD. AMD, fuyo, nice. Lucky I got a long-term investment in AMD. MU. Okay, nice. This is yes, crazy. You move like crazy. But for me, I also don't have opportunity to get in. The only one that I can see is here is way too far gone already lah. So even if you try to measure, really went up like about 29% though. Yes, Roderick, my long-term investment is in interactive broker. So I will always advocate when you do long-term investment, let's say for even buying individual stocks or buying, index funds or that, try to use it in another account. You need a cash account. Don't use a margin account. Margin account, by the time your long-term investment make money, the amount of the interest on the margin, you're going to die, man. Like Moo, they charge you 6.8% annually. So imagine SPI average for the past 100 years, the average gain yearly is about only 10%. So imagine you pay for interest, you're left with about 3.2%. You haven't calculated in your fees, your expense ratio and everything. By the time you only left with 2% plus only. So long-term investment, always use a cash account. The moment you use the cash account, they don't charge you interest, you pay for expense ratio. Expense ratio for VOO is so low, it's 0.03%. Same as 2800. So with that, you don't even bother about it lah. I can't remember whether I have this chart or not. Okay guys, let me, why I cannot shift this? Let me see, is it this? I can try to open up for you. I know it's not this. Okay guys, one moment, let me try to find. Is one of this chart over here, is it this? No, definitely not this. Is it this? No. Okay, I will find, then later on I will send it inside the group, then Roderick, you can take a look. So how fees actually affect your long-term investment. Yeah, later on, Roderick, I will send it inside the group, then you take a look at that. Oh, I have been trading for 11 years, 11 or 12, like around there. Oh, I know I look young. Everybody asks me how am I and everything. I'm actually 34 already. Okay, so not young anymore. Yep, no problem, no problem. How's Tesla coming down a little? When is my put option gonna make money? Here, after the haircut, super nalak. Nalak jing jing, oi. Snow breaking out. Snow. Okay. Let's take a look at snow. Okay, snow coming. Okay, snow possible though if you're aggressive. Seriously, you can take snow here, and you just place a stop loss. I think under this low will do. If you're a little bit more conservative, put under this low. Snow definitely I like. This is like a dual confirmation. It's a dual confirmation setup. Usually this setup gives me the win rate is quite high, maybe about 70%, 70 plus. But of course, the safest one is that you wait for this breakout. Without this breakout, anything can be just speculation, and especially I keep emphasize that market is going to pull back. SPY is at $600 already. So as long as it's $600 and above this range, we are in a very strong psychological level. So around this level, there will be a lot of sellers coming in trying to push the market down. And then the buyers, at $600, they will try to push it up. So there will be a lot of mixed opinions. It's going to be confusing for a while. Yep, and if you all look at the market update video for this week, I also told you guys I have nothing to update. This week is like a difficult week. There's not much of a setup, and that's it, guys. Why for snow the very first green bar that break you didn't long? Snow. Why I didn't long? Because it actually didn't fulfill my criteria, I think, if I'm not wrong. Let me see. Why I didn't long over here? 12th of June. Did something happen on 12th of June? Actually, everything looks good though, but I can't remember why I didn't long over here. But even if I long on 12th of June, right now it's 17th of June. If it doesn't move from my entry, maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, I will decide to cut it off. I will take the break even or a small loss before, um, it take my full loss or something. Because sometimes after breaking out, it doesn't move like that. I don't like this kind of move. I like those, the moment I get a breakout, I want it to fire off. If it doesn't fire off, I don't have so much patience to sit inside all this. I would rather, get out, then I go and find another trade. But for now, I do like this part. I really like this part as of right now. Just wait for, the breakout, then after that you can start buying. Wow, I scanned so much instrument already. Like, is there really anything for me to trade today or not? Uh, my God. Seriously, like nothing, huh? Reddit. Reddit. Hey, no, this is not the stock. This. Wow, so crazy. Nice. Reddit is a forum, right? How a foreign stock makes so much money from advertisement? Oh, this is crazy. William, do you have any stock that, looks something like that before it eventually fire off? Give me this kind, then we can all take together. Yeah, I have no idea how Reddit make money though. I think most idea, I think advertisement. MBR, what is MBR? MBR. MBR. Industrial. Let's go up to the monthly chart. Okay, this stock. Wow. This company has been here much older than me. Okay. You are looking to buy, is it? Do you understand this company? Because if you do understand, it will be good for you to buy. But if you are not, I'm not too sure whether you should, trade instruments like that. Because usually, uh, after this kind of huge drop, you do have a resistance like somewhere around here. If you draw this trend line, you are breaking out already. So maybe you can wait for a little bit of consolidation in this area, somewhere around here. This consolidation, then after that, maybe you can start to buy this instrument. Oh, you bought below $30. You bought below $30 driller. Okay. Normally I don't trade industrials. I have no, understanding about them. So if you bought at 29, good lah, good lah. You have a lot of room for this stock to breathe. Yep, definitely, you can hold for a while to see whether this will suddenly fire off or not. Because based on what I see over here, just on technical itself, you can see that this company since a very very long time ago, it has like this huge move going down, and it's like not recovering anymore. So unless there's a change in the business model or something like that, um, this can be a good stock to invest in. Yeah, of course, notification, if you understand this stock, definitely go ahead. Because for me, I don't understand, but I only can give you the technical point of view. So maybe you can go and research about the company. Yes, correct, correct. Normally I like to trade those inside the S&P 500. To be safe lah. We both technical guys. Nice. Yeah, because if you are technical guys, why do you want to trade this though? Because for me the first thing I will ask myself is that since a long time ago, what happened to this business though? Why the stock price keeps going down? This is the very, very first thing I need to know already. Then the second thing is that uh okay, sometimes business might, really recover. Uh, but there are also a lot of business that when, after a number of years, they went bankrupt, like, Nokia, uh, that one called what, Nikon, the camera brand. So there are a lot of companies like that. So this is something that I do think about before I would recommend whether you want to buy or not. Go chart oil monthly, use FIP. US oil is it? US oil. I think I understand what you're looking at lah. I also have a zone over here. If you see my zone is tagged already, I do understand that maybe you want to see the oil going up to break this high. I do trade oil. Okay, Peter, I'm actually using trading view. This is trading view. Yeah, notification. I used to trade commodities a lot. I trade a lot of oil, so I do understand oil. Yeah, that's why you see it came to take my zone, and right now it might fire off. But of course, I missed the opportunity. Nowadays, I don't trade commodities anymore. Just pure stocks. A little bit of cryptocurrencies. Uh, okay. I think I missed some comments. Oh, Amazon. Amazon. I have Oh, nice, brothers. Go, 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 go. Amazon, go. Nice risk reward, brothers and sisters. Everyone that's in the group. How much is the risk reward for Amazon right now? At least 1:2, I think. Yes, at least 1:2. Nice, brother. Amazon is good. Someone asked about Amazon, right? Derek, Amazon, powerful. Continue to hold. Okay? It's nice. Let's go. Okay, another one that you can keep a lookout is actually Meta. I do want to take Meta, but this stupid candle, it turns into a wick and we are going to close in 2 minutes. So maybe no opportunity over here unless you take, then you widen your stop loss a bit, maybe somewhere around here, 693 around there. Or if you're a bit more aggressive, maybe about 694 around there. Oh, Amazon TP, huh? Let me see. Okay, your next target you can look at is about 229, 228 to about 230 around there. Your next target. Okay, 100K to what? Okay, brother, I have already set aside a new 100,000, but I got no time to go, find another broker to actually, start. I will fund 100,000 USD lah. Then after that, that account I will use it to post it on social media or that because I don't really, want to show my own personal account. So I will create a new account after I start posting anywhere. Then you can track my performance. Okay, Boeing, BA, right? Boeing. BA. Then we'll see how that 100,000, goes up to. Maybe 200,000, 300,000. I will slowly scale that account lah. BA. Wait, let me go up to the monthly chart. Okay, BA. I do know that there are a lot of people talking about some good news about BA. If you are confident, Joyce, if you are confident in this instrument, maybe you can wait for a little bit of pullback. I do believe that. Wait, let me measure this. How much is this? Okay, 4 point something percent. Good. Maybe you can drop down to the 4 hours. Oh, so 4 hours you can't see, huh? Okay, I show you on the daily. Daily this portion, right? I do think that BA likely you will come and see BA filling this gap first. So this gap over here filled already. Then after that, after filling of this gap, I think you will come out like that. After one more leg down before you can decide whether you want to buy or not. Because I have a friend who also told me about BA. He told me about some good news about BA, lah, but I can't recall what was it already. Snow again, snow breaking out, friend. Roll the rig, cannot wait now. Need to make a lot of money. Okay, snow is nice, lah. It's nice, really. Even if you take the trade right now, uh, you can lah if you want. Do it as a swing trade. Snow for $3 swing stop loss is actually quite large though. It's really quite large, but it's still okay. Okay, snow. We wait for my Roderick. Have you jumped into snow? BA good demand pressure due to tariff balance, but facing production issue. You all follow lah. You all follow the news. You all will know about BA. But for me, I never follow the news. It's always people in my group, they tell me about it. I'm a tech guy. I like all the tech stocks. I like volatility. Okay, no risk, no fun. Okay, Peter, I don't think it will affect the stock market a lot as long as US don't get involved. Okay, as long as nothing happened to the US, they don't go and get involved, start firing missiles and everything. I think likely you won't see much of an impact in all these war news regarding that two countries. Because over here, you can see usually war news, right? As long as it's not directly affecting US, they get priced in very, very quickly. So this was the news, I think, last Friday, that this was the gap down for the war news. After that, what happens? Immediately it recover, come back again. After it went up even higher. So this is usually what you will see. War news, 1 day, 2 days later, 3 days, it will get priced in. Unless you see, like the 911 event, a plane crash into a twin tower again. That one, you see the market maybe 10% overnight. Yeah, you just have to keep monitoring the news to make sure, Donald Trump don't say something stupid or, want to join into the war. But usually, if he wants to join in, I think their own people will also start another, what's that called? Not riot, but protest. Protest already. They haven't fired the first missile. I think they protest until they need to defend. Go and put all the soldiers out, go and defend defend their own countries. Can see LMT daily chart first. Weekly. Monthly, okay, this is good. I like this style of stock. Okay, just now I think there was a few questions about some stocks. It is something like from a long time ago. After that, it just keep doing this for like 10 years, 15 years. That type. Usually, when I see stocks like that, I will leave it out. But I like to trade stocks that something like that, one straight line going up. These are the stocks I will add into my watch list. Yep, and right now it's actually pulling back, but this pullback, it can last for maybe a little bit more before you get that upside. Yeah, most importantly for me to get interested, I need it to get out of this range. Get out of this range first. Then from there, I will see what to do next. If this starts to come up, break above, pull back, I might start to I would like to buy this instrument. Make F-33, the car, is it? Formula One or fighter jet. F-33 is what? Singapore fighter jet? Make airplane. Oh, it's a US one now. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, those US defense stocks, maybe you can be more interested in them. It looks good though. Even weekly when they actually start to IPO. This one more than 10 over years, like 20 years also is already there. It's actually looking good though. Yeah, is the problem for myself is because of this range. Usually when you see range like that, it can be quite tough to trade for a while, because if you buy here, it goes up to the range, maybe it drop again, go and take the lower range, then it starts to go up, then you will keep repeating this process for a long time. So I don't know when it will break out, so I won't, I nobody will know lah, until it really break above this level, then I will be more interested. Supply to Israel. Well, I have no idea about this though. Yeah, bro, if you know about this stock, is good for you. You can definitely, trade them. I do like the fact, it came to fill this gap. Then over here, maybe a little bit of consolidation on the 1 hour, you can start buying. Okay, I want to look at... SPY is not moving, is it? Where's my SPY? Yep, guys, this is not looking not very optimistic though. Okay, I will set the alarm for SPY. If SPY comes to about 600, I will decide whether I want to take off some positions or not. But for now, I will set alarm at 600.33. 600.33. And right now we are how long already? We are about 37 minutes into the market open. We can wait for maybe 20 minutes more to see whether any strength coming in. We might get that upside. But of course, this area actually looks quite good lah. SPY broke out over here, and it went up a little bit, come back and retest with something like a hammer candle. Then after that, from here, might start to go up. Okay, Apple finally filled the gap. Yep, Apple finally filled this gap. Okay, let's see. But this gap is small though. We close here. Yep, it's way too small. It's almost insignificant, that kind. Oracle, no joke. Yes, Oracle, super strong. Where's my Oracle? I need to put red color so I know. Oracle, amazing. Oracle is like another Disney though. How long did Disney? Oh, Disney is great. So after earnings, it went up for 1 whole month before it more or less topped. So maybe Oracle also the same thing. Maybe you have another 2 weeks to 4 weeks for it to go. UTP 178. Okay, I understand why you TP just before earnings. Okay lah, random. It's a good move lah, trust me. Don't need to be, sad about it. Yeah, for me, I also, every single time when there's earnings, I get out, man. I really get out. Unless I got so much profit that I can play with earnings, I will leave it. That money maybe I up 10% already, then I still got extra, extra room for them to move. I will speculate for earnings. But of course, also the same thing I will leave like maybe 20%, 30% max. Then after that, I will, let the rest run. Yes, William, same. If got buffer, I will hold for earnings. No buffer, don't get out. Don't even think about it. You will die, man. You guys know why earnings is so dangerous or not? Earnings sometimes the earnings is so good that it gap up 20%, 20% from the closing price. You will be dead, man. I remember, I think it was Nvidia or something. Nvidia, look at this. Okay, this is not because of a gap, but I can't remember, is it Nvidia or what. I saw stocks that during earnings they kept up 20%, that kind, or gap down 20%. How about this? Let's check this one. This one is bro. Random, you look at this. Just imagine lah. One day, you trade Nvidia, but let's say for example you short Nvidia lah. Then after I got this gap, you look at this gap. This gap up here at 20, almost 26%. This earnings. Imagine if you are wrong in the direction 26%, and with a margin account, you're going to cry, man. Oh, what does buffer mean? Okay, what I meant is that let's say for example, today Nvidia got earnings. Okay, for example, today Nvidia got earnings, and you have a positions maybe somewhere around here. Then you can see right over here you have buffer. So maybe when you bought somewhere around here up to the current price around here, then tomorrow is the earnings, you are up about 10% already. I will take off like about 80% of my positions. I will keep 20%. Then that 20%, right, I will speculate for earnings. Because earnings sometimes it can spike up, sometimes it can spike down. It's a 50-50 thing. Yeah, but if let's say for example tomorrow is Nvidia's earnings and I have a setup over here, right? Or let's say maybe last week we go down to the 4 hours. We bought Nvidia, let's say for example here, okay? Then tomorrow we got earnings. You see, there's not much room for a buffer, so you just anyhow measure a 10% drop. 10% drop easily can drop below where you actually bought. So when I see like that, I got no buffer, I get out of everything. You understand? Yeah, there's no buffer at all. So I also don't want to give back all my profit. I rather make the profit than go and speculate something that is 50-50, that kind. Apple short. Yeah, this William, he likes to go against me. No issue, brother. I think my Apple will go up. I like it. It's doing very, very well. Fill the gap. Okay, give me a bull flag. This one looks like a bull flag. Okay, it's going to fire off. Yeah, okay, Mr. William. You will regret for not buying Apple. Hopefully. Okay, on the higher time frame, right? Apple is still not looking great. Seriously, it's not looking great. What I don't like about Apple is this, a descending triangle. Okay, descending triangle means that it has one more leg to come. So there's one more leg. So this leg, I think likely will come to about the 0.618 retracement of this to this before we get the upside. But no matter how, I just need Apple to move a little bit, just a little bit. Maybe breaking above this high on the 1 hour time frame, I will move it to break even. Then I got nothing to lose. When you got nothing to lose, you are not afraid of anything. Just let it run. Jianwei, hello, my friend. Hello. Hey guys, I'm opening up my group, right, for a free 30 days trial. So if you're interested to join the Discord group, so what's the perks of the Discord group? So if you join in, right, I have like all this position tracker. So over here you can see these are all the trackers, and if you want to know what I bought, all that, you just click onto the link. You click already, they will bring you back to exactly where I actually bought the position. So you will receive all these like the day trades, the swing trades. Yesterday these are some of the swing trades I took. Then my position trades. I think right now I don't have any position trades with my Tesla. I close it off. Then you can also see my long-term investment. So these are all the long-term investment that I bought. And also I do like weekly market update videos. So these are all the videos inside the group. So you can click on the link, go and watch them. Then every day, or if there's something for me to update, I'll update inside the group as well. So for now, free for the first 50 people, okay? After that, no more. Stop. Okay, go. Apple in profit now, guys. Our Apple is in profit. The Marvel is also in profit. Amazon in profit. I do hope that Amazon can fire off, because Amazon is a day trade. So if day trade is seriously fire off, your RR is amazing, guys. It will be amazing. As of right now, if you want to, okay, we enter Amazon where we enter at 214.4, 214.4. Okay, guys, move Amazon to break even lah. Just be on the safer side, okay? If move a little bit already, we can definitely move to break even. We bought here. Okay, let me go down to the 15 minutes. Okay, what price is this? I can't see though. Okay, I think we can move up a bit to about 214.8. 214.8 should be quite safe. Give it a little bit of room to breathe. Then after that, more or less, that's about it. Okay, I did set a stop loss. Oh, I never set a stop. I never set a take profit for Amazon, huh? Okay, take profit we set at 228 lah. Let's put 228 first. Okay, let's go. Okay, Amazon got nothing to lose. Risk free. Let's see what else can we manage. MRVL. MRVL, can we move to break even or not? We entered at 70.3, 70. Nope, not yet. Definitely not yet. This one you need to give it a bit of room to breathe. Apple might be one that we can maybe move 1 hour, 2 hours time, you know? Okay, how about Baba? Let's see Baba. Baba, I don't think we can move though. Yep, definitely. Okay, Baba, we enter at 115.8. Yep, cannot move lah. Too close already. Okay, crowd strike. I need to manage crowd. Okay, can the stop loss is at 472.6 as of right now. 472.6. Okay lah, not far from this low, so no point shifting lah. So if you're in crowd strike, you want to shift, you can shift over here. But for me, I will leave it. No more, right? No more, right? Let's see. I think no more. Okay. How's AMD? Oh, AMD going up again, eh? Okay, let me see my long-term investment for AMD. I want to see whether I'll take some partial profits or not. I bought at 95, so 95 is should be here. I bought here up how much already? This one 95, about 36%. I don't need to book. Let it run. Okay, those that are interested in AMD, your next profit taking area is about 135. Okay, from there, maybe you will get some pullback, then can join into AMD again. Intel, definitely nothing here. Yes. Okay, AMD, because AMD got very good news. I read down and I forgotten about it. What was it, huh? I can't remember anymore. The AWS one, huh? The AWS. Yeah, I can't recall what I read. Okay, the Saudi one is one of it, and I think yesterday I also saw one more. There was one more news. It's also a good news for AMD. Yeah, and you can see over here, just now there was one news about Intel as well. So Intel, they are creating a new chip, to rival AMD. But I think for now, AMD will still take the lead. I think it's this, is it? Let's look at this. This. This, because someone actually raised the buy rating from 125 to 140. So likely if you try to take profit about 135 to about 140, should be quite a good level. Yeah, so usually when they raise their ratings, all that is actually quite bullish for the stock. And AMD have this new chip, this MI350 series, and I think Intel is also creating another one to actually rival it. Is there any other news? Okay, this one we read already. Yeah, usually when you see, increase of ratings or that, the stock will jump quite a lot. Oh, you see another one. This is also yesterday. AMD caught up with investment, and then that AMD appears to be engaged in strong relationship with Amazon. So this is a super duper good news. Amazon is one of the strongest stock in the S&P 500. So if AMD and Amazon can go into some partnerships or something, it will be extremely good. Yesterday there was a lot of good news for AMD, like super a lot, that kind. And that's why it keep firing off. Quite wasted, huh? I close off my swing trade for AMD. So for those that are in AMD, congratulations to you. Since you saw the raise of the rating, I think about 135 to about 140 can decide to book some partial profits. Okay, Cody, thanks for sharing the live stream. Thank you so much. Okay, SPY looks like little bit, huh? Need noise strength coming in. Okay, looking good, looking good. Looking very good. Yep, this is good. This looks like an expanding flat before you get the upside. Okay, for SPY, you can still leave this alarm around here about the 600.33. Just see whether you get sudden sell off. Once you get that, of course, can start to exit some things. Oh, I think Tesla went up as well. Okay, Tesla, if you're not in, right, did it went up? How come my option for Tesla is only losing a little only? Oh, okay, because more and much more nearer to expiry, is it? So right now I still have about 1 month to go. 1 month to go, and I might make money from the put option. Okay, Tesla, if you're interested, you can draw a trend line like that, wait for the breakout, and take Tesla. One month, Poppy market don't turn around. What is Poppy market? Poppy market. I catch no ball, my friend. Hokkien, Poppy. 1 month, Poppy market don't turn around. Oh, Poppy. Okay, Poppy. Poppy. You understand, huh? 1 month, Poppy. I want that pullback lah. I still want that pullback from the market. Without that pullback, how to buy? Really, how to buy? Okay, Eugene Ko. I'm new to this. Can you explain when is a good time to buy or sell? Okay, Eugene Ko, if you are new, I would suggest that you go and learn about trading first. at least learn about the technical aspect. That's like the easiest to learn. Then after that, you can try to do back testing and everything, and try. After that, from your back testing, you will find your own edge, like your own trading plans and when to buy and sell. But of course, if you ask me right now, uh, you can you can buy, but it will be quite risky. So like in the chat, you can see like William also saying that needs a pullback. I also think that the market needs a pullback. Without that pullback, it will be difficult. Whatever you buy, you will get in and out extremely fast. Just booking very, very, very small profits, and that's it already. So I do hope that SPY can come down one more leg to break below this low. After you see that, maybe you'll get the upside. So if you are asking when is a good time to buy, it has to go according to your trading plan. But if you ask me about market condition, I really hope I hope we can get a pullback. No pullback, difficult to buy, man. Celsius. Very strong. This is strong. Why is my computer so laggy already? What happened? Celsius. The only setup that I can see is here though. Here I will be like trying to chase the market already if I try to try to buy the breakout above this high. Reddit got bite by dog already. Yeah, guys, you all give me the ticker symbol will be good, because usually I use the ticker symbol more than spelling out the whole company name. Kena bite by dog 被狗咬. Okay lah, bro, William. After a huge move like that, you can't expect another super huge candle at the side, right? Then, okay, after this huge candle, let it chop, go sideways a little bit. Maybe you get another huge move going up. William, are you in Reddit? Do you buy Reddit? MSTR, bull versus bear. Okay, I see for my phone, MSTR. Hey, why my chart is not loading? Okay. Random, it actually looks good. MSTR looks good. This is sign of rejection though. Oh, you never buy lah, William. Okay, can. MSTR. It looks good. I like it. This looks like more downside to come. So if you are conservative, right, you can wait for it to, break this low at about 367. Then if you're aggressive, if you want to, convert into a swing trade or something, can try to target. Wait, let me see. Yeah, maybe you can try to target even 330 though, the 0.5 feet, somewhere around there, plus minus. Okay, let me go to daily and see. Yeah, it looks good lah. The 0.5 retracement actually looks good. Yeah, maybe possible, huh? MSTR, there's lawsuit news escalate, then you see come to here. You will make a lot of money. Oh, the market slowly turning green. Good. Yeah, I just open up my account and I just look at the P&L, then make sure no sudden change from this. Shorted. Oh, you short Reddit Mr. William, your enemy come out. Someone short Reddit. Okay, Mocha, why you short Reddit? Because you think it's a meme stock? It will tank? Likely cannot afford your cost still. Yeah, this month will be, it will be slow lah. Anticipated, guys. Look at the seasonality of June. Just look at this, and this seasonality is much more better than the previous one that I actually showed it to you guys. This one has 60 years of historical data. 60 years. The old one that I showed it to you guys is actually this. These only have 20 years of past historical data, and you can see based on past 20 years, June, right? June, you can see about mid of June all the way until end of June, it just keeps going down. It's going to be quite difficult to trade for a while. So even when you use the other one, this one has like 60 years of historical data. You also see the same thing. 17 June all the way until about 26th of June, then it bottom. So 26th of June is about next Thursday. I don't think so will be until next Thursday. Based on what SPY is doing right now, I think likely for the whole week will be quite choppy. Then after next week should be better. Oh, Tan Tan, you also short Reddit or you buy Reddit? Tan Tan, you have an enemy over here, okay? The Mocha King, short Reddit. He's your enemy. Oh yes, he's your enemy. You need to, you know. แล้วก็ข้อละCantonese oil say I'm joking, relax guys. Yeah, because everyone have their own views, you know. Like yesterday I bought Apple, then William say he was short Apple. No, we are all friends. Although our account is not significant enough to move the market, but then we try to move at least 50 cents. I'm also happy. Anyone in here is in AMD? Is anyone in AMD? If you are, congratulations to you. NVIDIA. Can we buy NVIDIA or not? Okay, Tan Tan, you're ready? Okay? You can manage it? Are you able to manage the position? If you are, then I think okay lah, nothing to worry about. Five minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. Yep, looks like a slow day again. Imagine market open. We go down to the 15 minutes. Market open somewhere around here. Market open here. It only went up this much, 0.24%. Yes, hello. Yes, very, very slow. Yeah, this week is going to be slow because there's one public holiday on Thursday, and at the same time we have FOMC and interest rate, I think tomorrow. Tomorrow, right, guys? Yeah. Yes, tomorrow. I set it to Singapore time already, so it's actually tomorrow. Tomorrow, 2 a.m. And this is something, you also have to be a little bit more careful. After interest rate, straight away, FOMC. So guys, if you got profit and if you're afraid of, FOMC and interest rate, can book some profit. But if you were to hold the positions, if FOMC really doesn't turn out well, I don't think they will, change the interest rate at all. They will just remain at 4.5%. But of course, if FOMC, Powell said something that is that is a bit more bearish, you might see SPY coming down to break this low. But I think after breaking it, likely it will just chop around here a little bit. Then next week it starts going up already. Today I don't advise to short. Today I won't advise to short. But of course, yesterday there was a good one. Yesterday was MSTR. MSTR because they have like this, uh, they are facing a class action lawsuit regarding their financial statement or something like that. So MSTR, if you shorted yesterday, is good. That's why random. There's one guy, a user. His name is Random. He make money from MSTR short. But today, I think I'm more neutral than bullish or neutral to bullish lah. I think no sign the market is turning around, but there's also no sign of strength, not much strength as well. It's like so flat, so stagnant. Likely, the strength will only come in during interest rate and FOMC tomorrow. So from today until tomorrow, no idea whether we will get a sell off or not. Sometimes during before interest rate or FOMC, that might be a sell off. Yeah, but I think of course there are also guys over here. I think there's one guy, he shorted Reddit just now. Yeah, I think he's in a good profit lah. Good afternoon, then boom. Yeah, tomorrow I can't lah. I can't stay up until so late just to watch the FOMC. I will, wake up in the morning, go and read the news, what happened to FOMC. 2:30 though. Imagine 2:30 the press conference starts. By the time it finish, maybe 3 o'clock, 3:30 out. Okay, our Amazon also coming back a little bit. Meta, no trade, not ready. Oi! But FOMC tomorrow, how to take all this? Even for Google might have a setup over here. Okay, I want to delete away this line. This line is irritating. Where's that line coming from? Okay, it's this. I will delete this line. It's useless. How about HS? HS. What is HS? Is it HSI? Oh, no. Oh, Hang Seng. Oh, okay, can. HSI, I like it. If we go down to the 1 hour. Wait. Why this HSI, my HSI so different? Huh? It looks a little bit different. Oh, because I'm actually using the futures. So if you don't mind, I can use this. It's also the same thing, more or less. Then after that, I do think that, HSI have one more leg coming down here to break below this low before the upside. I think more or less it looks around the same, right? Let's see. Hang Seng. TVC, what's the difference? Yeah, it looks more or less, I think, about the same. Give it a little bit more, consolidation in here. I think HSI have a huge potential of flying off because I do long-term investment in them, and I want to see HSI comes to about the 27,000 area. That's my minimum target. From there, my long-term investment, I might decide whether I want to book some profit or not. But of course, if you ask me, right, I have a very high target for HSI. I do think that someday, it can come and break the all-time high around this area. Something similar to, like STI. STI also has been in this consolidation for a very, very, very long time. Something like what STI is doing as of right now. So STI is here, broke above the previous all-time high. Yeah, that's why I started investing in HSI in 2800. I think I think the potential is there. How about Futu? Futu TCOM. Not ready. How about Baba? Okay, it's also not ready. Baidu. Not ready. No setups, guys. So are you all going to exit your positions or you all going to hold through FOMC and interest rate? Okay. Guys, I will go and get some water. See you in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Okay, AVGO, my account, then my alarm got triggered for AVGO. Let's take a look at AVGO. Force breakout. No go, no go. Abort, mission abort. No go. Reset the alarm. Nah. Yes, mission abort. Okay, CLBR. Let's go to the daily, weekly. Wow, Roderick. Okay, Roderick, why not you tell me what you're looking at? What you want to do with this stock? I look at the company name, I'm already scared, bro. Column, how to pronounce? It scares me. I don't dare to even buy though. Yeah, this chart is weird lah. It's weird. This super huge spike within one day, it dumped all the way down. I think 2 days. Like mountain drawing, yes. Oh, why does this happen? Possible is a meme stock, possible. But sometimes we don't know though, because if you why there's a dinosaur? Oh, what is this? Oh, that's new. First time I saw a dinosaur on my trading view chart though. Okay, end of data. Okay, can. Okay, because if you all do, go to YouTube and things like that, there are a lot of YouTubers, they always talk about certain stocks. I even saw this China YouTuber, he talks about Neo all the time. Neo already tanked like shit, that kind, but he still, 100% faith in Neo. So sometimes it is because of all this influence that actually cause all this sudden huge spike. Like GME, GameStop. GameStop, I think at a point of time, it was so popular on Reddit that it caused a lot of all this super huge spike though. I think maybe we go to the daily, we can see maybe something like this one. I think it was caused by all the hypes on Reddit. And I have no idea how they hype until the whole stock can fire up so fast. But it's quite dangerous to chase stocks like that, because I remember there's one time a friend of mine recommended this stock called Yihang. Okay, he told me, this one next gen drone technology, got drone taxi and shit like that. Then after that, it was during this period of time. It was so good though, so good for a few weeks. After that, I think there was a reporter or something that went to Yihang factory, and then they take a picture. After they took a picture, right, they noticed that they don't even have those latest, most high-end manufacturing production like line. They don't have all the equipment. All they have are boxes of those like boxes, like you build Legos like that. So you just take the wings, you build onto the drones or something like that. So everyone was so shocked by the news, and it caused this dump. And my friend who actually sent me the video to watch about Yihang, right, is actually a very, very young boy. I think he was like 18, 19 years old at that point of time. He was like, all into Yihang. He said Yihang will be, the next big stock. But look at where's Yihang right now. Yeah, so sometimes, listening to all this advice, you also have to do your own due diligence. If not, you get caught. Let's say for example, you buy quite a low price, you buy here, then these stocks just consolidate in this area. It's going to take away a lot of your time. It's all opportunity cost. and you're going to stuck inside for like forever, that kind. Okay, nasi goreng. Can you drop me a DM after the live stream? I send you the link. You can hop in for 30 days for free. Okay, then after that, end of this month, I will have my own course, my own trading course. I will teach about day trading, swing trading, position trading, and long-term investment. So if you guys are interested, can join as well. Okay, but of course, after the trading course, I won't leave you guys alone. You'll stay in the group for at least 1 year, and we will have a lot of one-to-one sessions, Q&A, live stream together with all the students. I have a lot of time every day. So if you need help, just drop me a WhatsApp text. We can do like, because I'm also creating a new website. So that website I can host like webinars. So if you need a one-to-one session, I can host it directly from that website. It's free for me. Of course, I paid already, and then of course the webinar thing is free. Yep, and y'all can see my number everywhere. Just save down my number and drop me a text. Spy. Looks like coming down a little bit, huh? ETSY. ETSY. Yeah, Roderick, that ticker that you give me, be a bit careful. Try not to, pick stocks like that. Yeah, same. Dash. This is the type of stock that I always even when I do up the trading video course, right? I also said something. I show them a lot of charts like this, like like a mountain like that. The moment you see this, remove it from your watch list. Unless, like I always said, unless you know the fundamental of the company, you do your own due diligence, you research about the competitors and everything, and you think that someday this stock maybe right now is the number 3, rank number 3, number 4, number 5 in its own industrial, but you see the potential that it might become the market leader in the next few years, go ahead, invest in them. But if you don't see this, try to stay out unless you're doing trading. Maybe you can do a bit of swing trades, day trades, things like that. Because this stock, right, even when I look at the daily chart, you already like somehow, I think you are in resistance. Okay, you broke out of resistance already. This is actually the first very, very good sign. And you can wait for a bit of consolidation. Of course, this one it drops a bit too much. I would like to go to the 1 hour. I want to see a big move going up, starts to pull back. That's when I will start buying. Why Marvel got that drop a while back? Marvel. Yeah, maybe coming back to retest or something, but overall the market is also pulling back a little bit. It's really pulling back a little bit. Did we shift our stop loss for Marvel? No, right? I don't think so. Let me see. Yeah, no, we didn't shift our stop loss for Marvel. Have to wait. Hello, William, you're back. Nice to see you, bro. Are you trading anything today, William? Yeah, even Marvel is coming down. I do think that Spy might be coming down as well. No, Spy is still around here, but I think likely maybe because IWM is dropping, is it? Let's see. No, IWM is also not dropping. Not really sure why Marvel is coming down, but don't worry. Sometimes even if you look at AMD, I show you AMD. AMD also got a very huge spike just now. See? Over here, AMD got a huge spike down. Then after what happens? It went up again. You're still waiting for good chance. Same like me as well. Okay, hello. Any this index to follow? Usually for myself, I use HSI, SPY, Nasdaq, Dow Jones. the dollar index. Hey, dollar index is going up leh. Okay lah, a little bit lah. Then after that, IWM, SMH, ARKK, Nifty, STI. These are like the few that I always use. So I use them to gauge market direction. Okay, random, don't laugh, ARKK. I tell you, I so many times because of ARKK, I make so much money. Okay, you know why I like to look at ARKK? I like to look at Cathy Wood's portfolio. Her portfolio sometimes she have amazing stocks inside though. Like RBXL is one of them. And I think she also bought PayPal, Shopify, all that. Initially, I don't trade them a lot, especially for PayPal and Shopify. But because I saw it inside her portfolio, I start to, go and take a serious look. And it's really not bad, really not bad that kind. PayPal can move. PayPal like really got the strength. When it starts to move, it's quite volatile. I like it. You know what I don't like? I don't like this stock called BLK. The Black Rock something one, I don't like this stock. This stock move very, very, very slow. Like turtle like that, No volatility. Look at all the candle. One day red, one day green, one day red, one day green. You can see a mixture of colors over here, but when you go back to PayPal, it's better. When it's green, it's more green that kind. When it's red, it's more red. And then I think Shopify is also not bad. But now don't follow her portfolio for a while, I think you will die quite badly. But sometimes, you all can take a look and see what she have. Sometimes she add new things inside. Let's see what she has. I see she buy RBXL, make a lot of money. Oh, she bought it at $100. 有冇搞錯? $100. When she bought it, our ALVV bought better than her $40. You see, I think she added new though. This CRCL. I didn't see it. I didn't see this previously. I think CRCL. CRCL. Do I have this? Yes, new. Just IPO only. You see, every time when you look at her portfolio a little bit, you'll see some some missing instruments that you never ever see before. Let's go in now. What is pullback? RBXL, is it? Okay, wait, let me add this. Circle Internet Group. I want to add this inside my portfolio. CRCL. At times, her portfolio is seriously amazing, that kind, especially when there's sector rotation. You will make a lot of money just looking at her portfolio. RBXL no pullback, brother. Really no pullback. I think just now pre-market I saw it, no pullback. I tell you, you follow Nanny, you follow me better. Same portfolio. I tell you, whatever this Nancy Pelosi buy, right, her portfolio looks exactly like mine. She buy all the big names. Amazon, Google, Nvidia, VST, Apple, Nvidia, PANW, Microsoft, Visa, AVGO, Tesla, PANW. These are all the stocks that I look at it every single day. So I tell you, but she just buy. She no need pullback. Of course, this lady got money. They got a lot of money. They just keep buying and buying and buying. They don't care. They seriously don't care. That if you look at her portfolio, you can look at mine also. Looks exactly the same. Whatever she buys, I always buy them. I also bought Disney. Yeah, but I like the Cathy Wood's portfolio because it's special. It's a lot different from mine. Seriously, bro, you come here more than when you come here enough, you'll see that I buy all this all the time. Even when you join my group, you scroll through a group chat or something, you'll see all this lah. Always. But it's her portfolio. Okay, this type of people, right, they are very, very different from us. They are actually using cash account. They don't use any leverage at all. That's why if the whole market go into a recession, financial crisis, a big bomb and everything, they will not die. You give them 2 years, 3 years, they still come out ahead of you. They can tank through all the ups and downs. To them, seriously, nothing much. When the market tank, they will start to DCA even more. For us, we can't. One market crisis will be half dead already. Is Cathy cannot wait? We also shouldn't. Wow, bro, that ticker, the what CRCL is dangerous though. Just IPO and she bought that stock. How much she bought? Where's her portfolio? She bought at $151. 151. 151. Huh? Brother, she just bought only leh. You look at her, the Cathy Wood just bought this only at 151. Right now the price is 152. I think you better don't follow her. You follow her, you know this lady sometimes she quite suay one. She really quite suay. The moment she buy the thing tank. If you follow her long enough, seriously, a lot of time, I did see that she's really quite sweet the moment she enter the think tank. And even professionals enter right at the top. Okay, I can show you guys this this part in Spy. That time I think was December last year. December last year, y'all can go and do some research. It was around this period. Is it this period? No, not this February. Here. I remember it was around here. Cathy Wood went to buy something after the market tanked. We don't have the Christmas rally. Yeah, you follow her into the woods. But sometimes, it's good whenever there's sector rotation. But right now, there's no sector rotation. Everything is so slow. Yeah, most of what she has over here, I already added into my watch list. GTLB. This one seems like a new one though. GTLB. Oh yes, I don't have this in my portfolio. It's another new stock. Now $42. You look at how much she buy. Oh, she bought at 42. Okay, maybe she just bought only. But same thing lah, guys. As always, just IPO, spike up. After that, gonna hang here for a very, 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 very long time before this starts to fire off. Yeah, you all can maybe keep a lookout for GTLB and see what it does maybe 6 months down the road. But her entry over here is actually not bad. $42. Yep, not too bad. Maybe you can get a little bit of upside from here. Maybe coming to breaking above this high at least. You can say so lah. You can say that I trade full time lah. I commit to it every single day. But of course, I do have other businesses as well. So daytime, I do my own business. Then nighttime, I'm here. I also run my own group, my own trading group. Are we waiting for wave C for Google? What time frame are you actually looking at? If you are talking about this part, possible. Maybe you have wave C coming down here, breaking below this low. After that, you start the upside. It's quite possible. But Google, okay, we look at SPY. Okay, SPY is still going up, still got some strength. So whatever stocks that you have, potentially can buy lah. But just keep in mind tomorrow is FOMC. The interest rate is not that scary. It's the FOMC. Every time FOMC, Powell have to answer some questions from the reporters. Of course, he gets to plan in advance how to answer them lah. But it's the part where after answering all the previous questions, there will be new questions coming in. Then he will need to write down. Then sometimes he does answer it, sometimes he doesn't. And that's the part that is scary. If you all have the time, you are not sleeping 2:30, go and watch the news, go and listen to what he have to say. Then you can manage your positions. Because for me, by then I will be non liao. After that, the next morning I will see what happened. Oh, PANW. Oh, bye bye liao. Oh, just now we have a breakout though. But let's see the weekly chart. Actually, not bad. Not bad. Really not bad. It's still not too far off. Although it went a little bit high, I would love to, take the trade nearer to the trend line. So if you do see that, you can start going up, start trading it to the upside. Oh, guys, don't need to be, don't need to be, don't need to hold back at all. If you want to ask anything, can just ask. Why I stopped trading forex? Because I over leverage, and I blow up my account. I think 3 times. 3 times in forex, 2 times in stock market. Yeah, I blew up a lot of money over there. I was so sick and tired of forex. After that, I decided to move on. So when I move on, I found stocks. And when I went to stocks, because I learned about alert wave, and when I look at stocks, I was like, this thing easy, man. Okay, when you learn technical analysis for forex and when you come to stocks, you will find that stocks is easy. The technical part is seriously easy. Why? I show you Euro USD. Look at the weekly chart of Euro USD. Okay, just look at this. You think easy to trade, man? You see, one range here, another range here, and then one more range here. But then, when you go to just SPY, you look at SPY, SPX. Did I type the wrong one? Yeah, if you look at SPY, what you see? One straight line going up, almost like one straight line. Yeah, it's a different game. Forex is more fast-paced, a lot of adrenaline, a lot of, retest, then the change of trend can be very abrupt, that kind. But stocks is more, stable, consistent, but of course it's also very, very news-driven, whereas Forex is not that news-driven, I feel. The part usually impact Forex a lot is interest rate and NFP. The rest more or less doesn't have much, don't have much impact. So even for like, let's say we go to Euro USD, you do get a lot of pullback along the way. I can say that. You see over here, you go up, come back, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, then down. Something like that. You get a lot of this type of pullback. But when you go to like, let's say SPY is a lot, I think, clearer, the picture. You can see that SPY, right? it moved quite a distance before it pull back, move, then pull back, move, then pull back. Then after it move quite a distance before another pullback. You also lose quite a lot in Forex. Yeah, Forex not for me. Forex really, uh, if you understand the technical parts of Forex, I think stocks trading, the technical is easy, a lot easier. Yeah, I used to have a partner that trade stocks, trade Forex, also a Malaysian. Uh, his name is Alvin. After that, I think he blew up more than about 4 million in his account. 4 million USD. He totally quit trading already. At that point of time, I'm still small, but he already has 4 million in his account. Do you know who's Stanley? No. Is it another, Hong Kong trader or something? Recently, a lot of people tell me about Hong Kong trader. 4 million. Yes, yes. My that partner, he run car business in Malaysia. I think he run in KL or something. Then he drive what's that car called? I think it's called Range Rover or something. But his Range Rover is like those super expensive one. That guy is rich lah. To him, that 4 million, after he blow off, I think he went to take up some loan or something. Then after that, he back to his car business again. Yeah, his car business make him a lot of money. The trading channel from SG. Yes, some of the people on live stream, I think they are also from the group. Then after they told me about it, I just got to know recently. Yeah, I still keep in contact with him. Sometimes I go to KL or if I go to Thailand, sometimes I drive to Thailand. So along the way I will go and meet him. But he knows that right now I actually started my own group. But I asked him whether you want to come and try stocks trading or not. He told me no trading he doesn't want to do it anymore. Yeah, bro, I always drive. I like to drive very far. The whole of Thailand, I think I drive finish. Seriously, the whole of Thailand. My next destination is either from Thailand to Cambodia or Vietnam. Either one of it. Yeah, bro. Yes, long distance. When I drive there, about maybe back and forth about 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah, every year I will do it at least once or twice. But right now I'm live streaming already. I also thinking, how am I going to drive there? Cannot take off for 1 month though. Yeah, but the drive is not like one day you try to drive 12 hours that kind. Of course not lah. It's like you drive 4 hours, 6 hours maximum. Then you go to somewhere, you stop, go and enjoy. Ron K. Okay, my groupmate has one guy. I think he knows him personally. The guy that wore the botak guy, right? Then wears gold color Rolex. I think so. Is it him? Okay. I have my group. Inside my group, got one guy who knows him personally. I think he also runs some sort of trading course or something like that. Okay lah. It's actually not good for me to say all this. So it's better you do your own due diligence. Then after from there, you see whether you want to join him or not. Suicide Bitcoin. Okay. If Johnson don't mind, may I ask how is he? Heard about him also. Can PM me maybe. At you are talking to. You are talking to Dash. Okay. Yeah, so y'all can talk about it lah. Yeah, for me, I don't like to. Everyone runs their own course and things like that. I think there's no point lah for me, to talk bad about others and things like that because I'm also doing a lot of other business and I think this is more ethical. It's the right way to do things. Yeah, even just now the guy who talks about I think the trading channel or something. Even someone told me he offers a free trial to the group or something. I also don't sign up for it lah because I feel that there's no point, go and steal other people's ideas and then go and do your own things. Oh, he posts himself making like 300K per trade. I don't know, bro. I really don't know. My friend do tell me a bit about him lah, but then it's really not nice for me to share on live stream. Yeah, so for that part, you do your own due diligence. Yeah, sorry bro, I can't help you on that. Yeah, for me personally is I think I like to live stream more than posting videos lah. So I'll be here every day, maybe as my group slowly starts to scale or something, then all the students can come and join the live stream, then we trade together, learn together, I like this type of community. Even in my business, I think I do that with all my employees and things like that. Yeah, guys, don't, people who wear Rolex, all that, seriously nothing lah. In Singapore, Rolex is like, everyone can buy lah. That's all I can say. Bro, I also have very good watches behind you if you want to see. I have three very good watches. Each of them cost roughly about 60 to 90,000. Two of them cost about 60. One of them cost about 90,000. But right now, I think the 90,000 one actually rise to about 100,000 already. MSTR 370 already. Nice. Random, are you still at MSTR or not? I like AP. I always buy AP. But my friend always tell me, sell away my AP and then go and buy a Pate or something. But I don't like the design of Pate. I like AP more, especially the Royal Oak Offshore. You got idea to help me boost? Can you let me know lah. You let me know you can. WhatsApp me. Yeah, I have 3 AP watches. But normally, I'm at home. Why doing live stream? I need to wear a watch or something like that. My watch, I'm not going to sell lah. Really, even if I did broke or something, I'm also not going to sell. No. Hey, but guys, I really got giveaway. I have a new headphone, really new headphone. I accidentally bought 2 headphones. So one of it cost like I think 500 plus Sing. If you all want, I really want to give away. I'm not using. Okay, look at this headphone. It's black color. It's totally sealed in the box. It costs about I think 500 plus. I want to give it away. Really give it away. That time I think I bought Shopee or something. Okay, I have one here, black color. I don't know what did I press. I got one more here, white color. I got 2, guys. Yeah, so if you want, I can give away one of it totally for free. Yes, the headphone I want to give away. Someday maybe I hold something, then after I just give it away. Highest view time. Wow, bro, random, I tell you, you got I think 2 or 3 of them is really the silent viewers. They never say they never type anything inside this chat before, I think so. And they are always here for a very, very, very long time. Okay, random, do you have headphone? Do you like headphones or not? Actually, if you all want, right, I also got one more super huge desk to give away. Is the Secret Lab, I think about 1.6, 1.8 meter desk. I also bought a extra one because I wanted to, give it to my wife and let her use it. But then after I bought it, she tell me like, she doesn't want it anymore. So right now it's actually inside my storeroom. I bought it for about I think 1,002 or something like that. So it's actually inside my storeroom. I also want to give away the desk. But of course when I give away the desk, you arrange your own, own movers or something like that. That desk is damn heavy though. It's super heavy that kind. Let's chit chat. What's the point hanging up there? Huh? What's the point hanging up there? Oh, you prefer earbuds? Okay, okay. Yeah lah. I want to give away all this lah. It's really brand new. I have not opened it up at all. Uh, uh, a headphone, computer desk. I think the desk is about 1.8 meter, if I'm not wrong. Secret lab desk. Like got those, RGB and everything. I don't like RGB desk. That's why I like white color desk, no RGB. Is it this? No, definitely not this. I think it's this. Yeah, it's also white in color if I'm not wrong. Because it's a while already. Yes, I correct. I bought the white color one. So it's definitely this. This is how long? How many meter? It says. Just press shop now lah. Yeah, this desk is show really really show. I remember I bought. Oh, so small only, man. 1.5 meter. Huh? Really? No lah. I bought the 1.8 meter. Yes, this is the 1.8 meter desk. I remember I bought about 1.8 meter, white in color. Then after I also got the desk mat. Where's the desk mat? Yes, I got the desk mat. I bought it as well. I think it's this color if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this color. Then yeah, got all this cable management thing. Like everything is inside. So you don't see any cable. I remember I bought about I think 1,002 something like that. Yeah, it's quite a chill table. It's a very very big desk. I want to give it away. Yeah, it's electronic as well. It can go up, go down. So I have two of these in my home right now. One of it I'm actually using. The other one, I want to give it away lah. My wife doesn't want to use. She prefer the small desk. Okay, spy coming down. Hey guys, really, spy looks like there's no strength. I think we better exit our positions lah. The way it's doing is like I will die, man. Yes, guys. I also need to maybe get more followers or what. Then after we can do a fun giveaway. Then we can do the wheel, the like wheel of fortune like that. Hey guys, I think I want to exit my positions now. Like, what is this type of market? How to trade though? Yeah. So everybody join the giveaway. Then after you can do the like wheel of fortune. Can shot. Typical giveaway is what? Those add people into my group, is it? Can short the stock itself. Right now what time? 11:20 plus. Okay lah, maybe I give myself 1 more hour or something. Then hiya. Possible if my group really grows a bit larger that kind, I don't mind do give away like Rolex or things like that. You know, a Rolex that costs maybe 10 over thousand, I'm still okay with that. Yes, William, I'm actually still looking at, you know, the price action. Right now it looks like coming down, eh? But of course not those Rolex like those root beer color 50K that kind lah. Maybe, you know, near to 10,000 or 10 plus a little bit, I think it's okay. You know, once in a while can do that. If close stock, what stocks you planning to close? I think I will close Amazon and Apple. Apple is there's no, you know, it's like a love-hate relationship, that kind. I do think that Apple have the potential to fire off. When it starts to fire off, I think Apple will move quite quickly. But you know, it's stuck around here. Usually my style is that the moment, you know, you get impulsive wave, it will straight away go, that kind. I'm happy if he don't move. Huh? Continue to collect premium, no problem. You mean for your shorting of put options, is it? Random, what you short? Can I collect more premium or not? Oh, Apple. Okay, Apple. But Apple, the premium is not high, right? I remember. Oh, by now IV low. Okay, okay. Okay, I know. Shorting, you need high IV. If high IV, then as time goes by, the IV drop, you'll make money. Am I right? Then at certain time, you tell them to enter your stream to view live stream. High IV, but if dumb, you will be assigned also. Yes, definitely, definitely. No, you see, Roderick, Apple is looking a little bit amazing at this moment, okay? At least we don't see like, you know, this kind of sharp sell off in Apple. You know, hovering around this area, we can get the upside. Okay, understood. My Tesla also dropping now. Don't know I will get assigned or not. You see this Amazon, like no power. My Apple also looks like no power. Meta. Also no power. Yes, whole market no power. I agree. I do agree. We come here, king guy. Yeah, no power lah today. Today the most powerful one should be this oil, CVX. Because of all the war news, you know, oil price going to spike up. Oh, MU is also powerful. MU went up 2.42%. Yes, William, do you trade oil? US oil. Oh, US oil has a very nice opportunity. Nice opportunity here though. Too bad lah, now I don't trade oil anymore. Oh, okay, you trade XAU, huh? Gold, how's gold? Hmm. Yes, Keith, yes, I do. Your SMC and my SMC is different, is it? Or retail? What do you mean? Still try hard to learn now. Open small lot size now. Still try hard to learn now. Oh yes, I use smart money concepts, yes. But what do you mean by retail? Okay, William, you're still trying hard to learn now. Open small lot size now. Okay. Uh Keith, I learned a long time ago though. Maybe like 10 years ago or something. Back then, I think it's not called SMC. I think it's called, what is it called? Uh, well, I can't remember the group that I joined. Then after they are the one who taught me that. And from there, I think as the years goes by, things starts to change. But when I look at it, it's exactly the, SMC can. Who say cannot? Okay, whatever that I have learned, right, most of them I learned about 10 years ago. 10, 11 years ago, around there, or 12 years ago. Yeah, FVG, order blocks, I use everything. So right now you can see order block, FVG, order block. Liquidity sweep, sometimes I use, but I use it in combination with alert wave. Let's say got order block below and FVG at the top. You have to see which one actually fulfills your okay, because the way I use FVG and order block is actually very different from what you see from YouTube. I use in combination with alert wave, so I combine both strategies together. So I will depends on how the wave structure develops, then I will use FVG. FVG is not my, or order block is my main analysis. Alert wave is always the number one. So it all depends. Yeah, because I believe like if you are a SMC, SMC trader, a lot of people, they will tell you some use FVG, some use order block. Then after that, you will see price break through both the FVG and order block. That's why you are here to ask, right? For example, here very easy one. I show you this. Okay, you already can see one over here, FVG, right? This is your FVG. If after that, this is your order block, right? Look at this. What happened? Did price respect any of your FVG or order block or not? That's why if you only purely using SMC, I think it doesn't work a lot of the times. So I combine it with alert wave. Callisto, I know that Singaporean guy. He always appears on my on my Facebook. Right? He's the guy who does the advertisement. Yes, I know. He said yes. That's why I'm so rich. I'm not selling any cost. I don't think legit lah. I don't think so. Okay, you know how he make money or not? He make money when you join his premium group, which is actually free. But then when you join his premium group, right, he wants you to open a broker to that he recommended. Because if you don't open that broker and you don't fund that account, he will definitely kick you out of the premium group. 100%. Although I'm not in the group, but this is years of experience, I can more or less, I join like, I can tell you like, I joined maybe more than 10 groups in the past. All of them, I paid money to join. I went to a lot of course. And they are all different style, of making money from those groups. Okay, realistically, I would say that if okay, even for myself with over 10 years of experience, every year I'm actually not asking a lot. I'm only asking 20% gain on my total account balance. So meaning to say, let's say start of the year I have 100,000. By the end of the year I have 120,000. You're more than good enough. If you go and read about Warren Buffett, all the big names, right? Their portfolio gains every year is plus minus around 20% only. So as long as you can beat the SPX, you are doing well already. Anything more than that, it will be a bonus. But because of we are retail traders, we use margin and stuff like that. To hit 50% a year, 80% a year shouldn't be much of an issue lah. Okay, thank you, Keith, for the follow. Thank you. Yeah, but for me, I have this mindset that is really, really realistic. 20% a year, and if possible, I try to make about 5% every month. This kid so young. Who so young? I young or you young? I'm old though. I'm actually 34 now. 34. I'm going to become uncle soon. Oh, Keith ah. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, it's good lah. If I were, restart, go back to my early 20s, okay, I will definitely, maybe doing 18, 20, I will definitely start trading already. Because every group, I can tell you, when you join them, there will be some ways for them to make money. Like for me, I don't like the hassle of, go and ask people, go and sign out this broker, that broker, and everything. I just sell a course. Then after, I just sell signals. It's simple as that. No fancy stuff, trying to think of all the nonsense to lure people into the group. For me, I'm very easy. If you like what I do, you join. If you don't like, go and find another one lah. There's plenty of traders out there. Studying uni now. Okay, good. Bro, study hard for your uni. Get that degree. It's going to help you, in your future. Then after that, go and get your career, save your money, go and invest while you go and learn how to trade. I live every day as long as the market is open. So Monday to Friday, usually I live about 9:15 p.m. Singapore time, and then Monday I will try to live about 9 p.m. because I need to scan through the charts. Yep. Bro, if you want, I do have a free, not free lah, but then a free trial for my own group for 30 days. Then after that, then you can see whether you want to join the course or not. From there, you make your own decisions. Yes, New York sessions only because we are actually trading in the US stock market. Yes. But of course, when you trade in the US stock market, we don't talk about just the US stocks. We talk about China stocks, We can talk about cryptocurrency because these are the things that I trade. Yes, just not Forex. Forex, if you want to ask for direction or analysis, I can help you. But if you, ask me to trade Forex, I'm not doing it anymore lah. Same goes for commodities, but I can give you a sense of direction, what to do, and things like that. Yeah, I myself, I love Bitcoin. Bitcoin is retracing, guys. Maybe another opportunity coming. Yeah, Keith, when you're new, all I can say that you can go to YouTube. YouTube, there are very, very good information. After you learn, you need to do back testing. Yeah, don't believe every single thing that others says on YouTube. You do your own back test. Back test is not difficult, Let's say if you just scroll to any random part of the chart, and let's say if you want to take a breakout, then you just tell yourself, okay, if I see this, what you will do back then, and after you draw your lines, analyze. After that, you see where the trade goes to, something like that. Double top go down, then stock will go down. Okay lah. Sometimes there's correlation for Bitcoin and the US market, but sometimes it doesn't also. Meta going Meta, I actually like it though. But because I already have a few positions, so I didn't actually, do anything to Meta. SMT divergence. What is SMT divergence? Is a little bit familiar though. Oh, render magnificent 7 all moving. Okay, good, good. SMT, SMT familiar like this term. SMT divergence. Wait, let me see. I can't really remember really what is it. Okay, this divergence I don't use. I don't use this. I think this is okay. When I first started learning, right, it was called ICT. It's not even called SMT yet. It's called ICT. Now I remember. It was a very, very, very long time ago. Yep. Okay, ICT and SMT, I don't think there's much of a difference lah. Only people go and change the name a little bit, but the technique, more or less, I think, Keith, not worth lah, not worth, not worth, really not worth. I think I would rather, you go and watch SMT better. Yeah, his videos is very long. It was a long time ago. I think the ICT guy, the main guy, actually taught one of the I think traders or something. Then after that, he was also one of the top traders in TradingView. Back then, this TradingView platform was very different. It's a social trading platform, so everybody will there are like leadership ranking all that. So one of I think the students for the ICT guy actually was the top trader in TradingView. So I went to join his course as well. So that's where I actually learned. But as years goes by, I do notice a lot of people nowadays like they change it into like SMT, but more or less it's around the same thing. But a lot of things that they taught over there, I don't use it anymore. I only use a few. Yeah, yes, guy. Bro, you are young lah. Do go and learn trading. It will be I would say a valuable skill, and at the same time, the profit is unlimited. The potential is really unlimited, and is scalable year after year. So let's say if you have 100,000, the next year it becomes 200,000, then 200,000 the following years become maybe 400,000, something like that. Then your returns are also compounding. So every month, if your account each month you go maybe 5% or something, after the start of each month you are going to compound and start at a higher starting capital. So that's how the compounding keep working and working every single month. If I can turn back time, I think I started around your age though. I started 22, 23 because I'm 34 this year. So if I minus 12, I started about 22 as well. Yes. Yeah, don't need to wow. I know a lot of people tell me I look very young or something. I'm 34 already, bro. YouTube a lot of scammers lah. Okay lah, not really scam lah. They are also giving you knowledge. Then you need to think lah. This world there's nothing free. They give you some knowledge, then they hook you into their course or things like that. That's why I like to do live streaming. I think live streaming, all of you see me taking trades live and everything. Yes, YouTube actually speed up your learning process. You get to learn. Okay, most importantly is that you learn the skeleton. After you learn the skeleton, after that you expand by yourself, go and do back testing and things like that. Gain confidence, go and do paper trading and everything. That's the most important part for a trader. Usually as a trader, your life is pretty boring lah. Especially when you do swing trades. Even if you do day trades, you're a day trader. You also don't get opportunity every single day or every minute or every hour lah, right? So most of the time when like right now you look at the market right now, not moving at all, and If you have time, maybe you sleep at 1 a.m. or something, you have about 1 hour for you to do back testing rather than just looking at the chart. Because I'm actually doing live streaming, so I'm here chit chatting with all the guys. Oh, scalping, as long as you get out of the trade maybe within an hour or something, you are considered a scalper. Day trading usually, I think scalping you get out within a few minutes lah, max maybe 15 minutes or something like that. Day trading is like you get in already, you wait for a few minutes all the way up to a few hours. Yeah, scalping is extremely fast that kind. Sometimes it can be seconds. Susah for me. I also cannot scalp. To be honest, I can't scalp. If you ask me to scalp, I think the moment I enter the thing tank, when I start to sell, the thing rocket off. Yes. Keith, I subscribe to TradingView. For a start, I wouldn't recommend anyone to subscribe, especially you are still a student. Don't waste your money. Okay, although there's a lot of discount going on now that you can use TradingView as a charting platform for free, but then when you need real-time data, right, just go to your broker. Your broker will always give you real-time data. So you just compare side by side. Open up your laptop or your computer, then after that, you just use your broker app. Then you go and look at the price. You use TradingView to draw your lines, your trend lines, your Fibonacci, everything, your boxes. Then after you open your broker, look at real-time data. Enough already. Yeah, for me is I'm comfortable with life already. For me, spending this amount is not a lot to me. That's why I don't mind subscribing this and that. I subscribe a lot of services. ChatGPT lah, Perplexity lah, TradingView lah, Netflix, YouTube Premium, and everything. Because once you are working adult, these are all, I think, minor cost for you. But as a student, try to save down on all this lah. Wow, Go, I have no idea leh, bro. Use Momo lor. Yes, use Momo can leh. Yes, there's a lot of meta trader, but then when you trade Go, a lot of people they trade Go, they like higher leverage because if you use Singapore brokers, the leverage can be quite low because Singapore kept at 1:50. But then when you use overseas broker, right, the leverage can go as high as 1:100, 200, 300, 500, 1000. But then you also need to check how's the broker. Right now, I think the top forex broker is very very different from back then. Those broker that I use. I used to use this broker called Duca's Copy, but right now I'm not too sure whether is it still popular or not. So you can just search top forex broker. Oanda, the leverage is garbage. Is 1:50 only, so just don't use it lah. But Oanda is actually a honest broker. It's really really honest broker. The last time when I use it, Yeah, so right now you can see it. Some of them like IG, Ava Trade good meh? When the last time I used Ava Trade, it was like garbage that kind of. Maybe Tasty FX. Tasty FX. Recently I think it has become a little bit more popular. Yeah, maybe you also can try CMC markets or something. Vantage. Well, I have no idea, like bro. You for forex you need to research your own broker. Yeah, usually for forex you try to research whether they are a market maker or they are called ICN. Is it ICN or PCN? Market maker versus ECN. So you're going to research whether they are a market maker or ECN broker. Try to use those that are ECN. ECN usually their fees are a little bit higher, but then it will be much safer for you. Minimally, I'm targeting 1:3. No, I don't have a fix. My trades sometimes minimally I try to target 1:3. Then Sometimes I just let it run. Maybe 1:5, 1:6. Sometimes it's 1:10 plus also have, but it all depends on market condition. Like our current stock market condition, don't even look at 1:3 lah. Got 1:2, you happy lo, zhao liao. Yes, William. Last year MSTR give me 1:30 plus. But of course the 30 plus is a day trade lah. So 0.5% you times 30 plus, I gain about 10 over percent just on MSTR. Okay, usually when you trade Forex, right, you try to trade the London Open to about New York Open. That's the most activity. The Asia session is like totally dead, that kind. Asia is usually consolidation. New York NYSE opening at yeah, I think because they are talking about the stocks exchange, but that one is for stocks lah. I think, well, I can't remember anymore, but I think Forex about 8 p.m. or something, there's a lot of volatility already. Or silver bullet hours. I think you are talking about the crossing of this session, right? So from the, I think London should be the London close crossover to the US opening or something like that. I'm not too sure lah. I can't remember anymore. Yeah, Keith, if you are new, I would recommend you come into stocks. Stocks is easier to trade. I trade both commodities. I also trade both Forex. Or I can say stocks easier. William also come from stocks. Come from Forex and commodities. Yes, Forex is damn difficult. Stocks, there are a lot. There are like your Apple, your Google, your Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix. These are all the stocks. If you are talking about NQES, those are the indexes. Yeah, they are the index futures. Yes, different game. Okay, Keith, if you're keen in Forex, right, let me just show you this lah. You look at this, you tell me whether which one is actually easier to trade. Okay, I go to Euro USD, I squeeze all the way in. Okay, wait, I go to the weekly chart. Let me squeeze all the way in around here. Okay, Keith, look at this chart. But you think Euro USD is going up or going down? I'm not trying to psycho you or anything, but I'm actually showing you the data, the real-time data. Which one do you think, up or down? Okay, you look at this already. I show you S&P 500. Look at this chart. Going up or going down? Which one do you think is easier for you to make money? Yes, that's why. In the stock market, 70% of the time is going up. 30% is like in consolidation, not going sideways, not going anywhere. Yes, I can show you all the, all the USD, JPY. I can show you all the Forex pair. Let's look at them. Okay, we go to the weekly again. USD, JPY. You look at this. Okay, we just look at this data about the start of, year 2000. Which direction? Okay, then after you look at pound USD. I'm not really trying to psycho you or anything, but I think it's a good advice for you to at least know, because I myself I got burned in forex a lot of times. Look at pound USD, which direction, up or down? I already show you three forex pair though: Euro USD, uh, USD yen, and pound USD. Okay, for a start, you can just look at those big names. Tesla, the car brand. Nvidia who makes the graphic cards. Those RTX graphic cards, your RTX 5080. You know, okay, you can see over on my watch list like there's Tesla, Nvidia, AMD who does all the CPUs. Then Intel also do CPUs, but Intel don't trade lah. Intel is right now is still quite garbage. Okay, then you can trade maybe like Apple. Your Apple mobile phone is also a company that's traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Then Amazon, something like like your Taobao, but the American version. Then after that, you got Meta, which is your Facebook. You have Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Adobe. These are all the big names that are well known, that kind. You can just trade those well known names will do. You don't need to trade a lot of stocks. Start with those well known, and after that you slowly expand your watch list. Because in this live stream, I think there are a few of them actually came from forex like me. We didn't do well in forex. Even right now, with my experience, you ask me to go back to forex, I'm not confident whether I can make money or not. Can, Keith. See you some other time. Bye bye. Take care. Bye. Guys, Google is also breaking out. But FOMC tomorrow, how to take? Are you up for the risk or not? Do I look suspicious? I don't think so lah. I think the guys all come here, all are quite sincere. Yes, the magnificents are going up. MSTR, tank like crazy. Yo, congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. Oh, there's a new news about MSTR. What is this word? Significant. What does this mean though? My English is not, like the most polished type of English. I don't understand this. What is this word? Gradual. Oh, okay. Can go back. Yeah, random. Why you never tell me you shot? If you told me, maybe I will join together. But it's okay lah. I already missed the boat now. The boat not coming back anymore. But good lah, good job, really good job. I think MSTR minimally breaking below this low. Right now we are on the 1 hour chart. Breaking below here, I think more or less you can decide whether you want to secure some profits. Oh, you put at 388. Oh, 388 is huge. Because for me, usually if I have this type of news, I will put a very small stop loss. Yeah, Randall, why you didn't use, like options to try to short it or something? I think back then, this area, IV, yeah, even if you buy a put option, I think IV is still low though. Oh, you put above the trend line, huh? Okay lah. Okay lah, not too bad lah, not too bad. Maybe, yeah, still okay, still okay. Yeah, it depends on whether you are doing a swing trade or you are using a day trade. Because for me, if I take yesterday, I will be doing a day trade, 100% not swing trade. Then I will use the day trade, I will convert it into swing trade. Okay, I wanted to do something, but I've forgotten. Oh, I'm thinking whether should I buy Google or not. Let me see here. Okay, guys, give me a while. I want to go to toilet. Okay, I forgot to go to toilet just now. Okay lah, guys, after the toilet break, I have decided not to buy Google, okay, because of FOMC tomorrow. The FOMC can be scary, my friends. You short the stock by using which broker? My move before can, but now don't know why cannot. Oh, William, do you actually change your account to a cash account? Because if you are using a cash account, you cannot short the market. Do you know that? You need a margin account. That's why I always advocate, you open one margin account and then one cash account, because the margin account you can short the market when it starts to tank. That one for trading. Then the other is a cash account, that one for you to buy long-term investments. Really? Is there a difference? Random, is there a difference? I don't think so though. I think it's the same lah. Maybe. Oh, Momo MY also have. I thought it's Singapore only. Momo. Okay. I try see whether I can short MSTR or not. I think should be able to. Shouldn't be much of an issue, right? Yeah, can short. Can short. Here can short. Definitely can short. It's a shortable stock. The margin interest is 3%. Your T-bot, like interactive margin account, your T-bot SGD, when you buy stock, your cash will still be in SGD, but USD will be negative. Oh, okay. Random, whenever you open a new broker account, you try to convert first. Convert whatever you have. Then after that, convert them into USD first before you even start buying anything. So like for my long-term investment account, whenever I have money, I will add the money into interactive broker. I will do the conversion first. Convert now, then after I go and buy stocks. Or buy my VOO. Usually they say 3%. How do they calculate? 3%. You mean 1:3 RR, is it? Risk to reward 1:3 RR. Are you talking about that? Oh, the interest for margin. I think it's an annual interest though, if I'm not wrong. Guys, I have perplexity. Okay, we use perplexity. Wait, wrong. Perplexity here. Oh, yeah, what did I press? No, not this. Perplexity will tell you everything. Okay, let's see. Yes. Right now, Richard, if you convert right now, it will be quite a good rate. Then when US become more stable, or that when it goes back to about 1.33, 1.34, that's when you can decide, you want to cash out some or not. Okay, 200, that's really 10,000. Settlement price $50 times this one. Then okay, it's actually the annual interest, so you can see it's annual. You don't need to read everything, The 6.8% or the 3% is this. It times 6.8% divided by 365. So it depends on how long you hold. So if 3% for annual, I think it's good. Normally for swing trading, you don't even hold so long. Usually makes about 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Yep. Then yeah, usually I don't really bother about the fees, because when I look at it, is it's not is a very very small amount. Of course, as time goes by, it will start to accumulate and everything. But I do believe that even by paying all this interest, it's still good to have a margin account, because if you don't, when one day the market tank, like during the March period, what are you going to do? You're going to sit out or you're going to DCA only? But if you can short, try to short. And every 7 years, the US economy, averagely about every 7 years, it goes into a recession. And right now, the last recession that we have is actually in 2020. So maybe another 2 years. Then when we go into a recession, you will short until you will be laughing, man. Of course, everyone, they always tell you, like, when you short something, your loss is unlimited. When you buy something, your loss also can be unlimited. What if something happens to the company suddenly shut down and everything, then your stocks go to the OTC side, you also jam over there. So when you short, you borrow someone's shares to short, right? After you short already, of course you need to set a stop loss lah. You cannot short and then hold forever. Let's say, for example, you short Nvidia here, you just place a stop loss maybe somewhere around here. Then when Nvidia price goes up to your stop loss level, whatever shares that you have borrowed from don't know who, maybe you borrow 100 shares to short, when you reach to this price, you just buy back the 100 shares. Then you are out of the positions already. So you actually kept your loss like that. Normally in this market, you don't see the stock gap up a lot. You see them gap down more than they gap up. So for example, we go back to SPY. You look at SPY daily chart, this part. You look at how long it actually top to the bottom. Top to bottom, it took about 47 days. You look at where we are. From the bottom to the top, it's already 71 days. We are not even back at the all-time high level. So shorting won't be as dangerous as it sounds, because usually, when they start to move up, they move up slower than when they drop. If you go back to every place, you can see the same thing. It's always the same pattern repeating itself over and over again. Yeah, even if you look at 2022 with all the high inflation data, right? So from the top over here, all the way to the bottom over here, it took 282 days. Then after you see when did they actually go back to the previous high, somewhere around here, right? Let me see, yeah, here. Look at this. From the low all the way to breaking previous high somewhere around here, it took 463 days. But when it comes down for 282 days. So going down is always faster than going up. Then if you want, you can go back, look at COVID. How long did this recession last? This recession only lasts for 1 month though. So if you measure from the top until the low, 33 days. How long did it actually went back up from the low all the way until breaking the previous high or near to the high? 151 days. That's 5 times more the time that 5 times the time taken for this drop. That's why if you have a margin account, if you can catch move like that, it's fantastic. But it can be difficult, especially when it starts to drop. You will see a lot of all these gaps. See 1, 2, here also gap, here also gap up, here after that gap down, then gap down. Every day is gapping. It will be super difficult to short as well. Okay, spy going up. Okay, guys, 15 more minutes. We end the live stream. Okay, 12:30. Today don't OT too much. Market is very very boring. Hey, you seriously can watch at here watch live stream for so long. Really? Do you all do that to some other channels or anything? Like don't say about trading lah. Maybe even uh looking at games. Hey, random, why do you always have to work during this time? Is it because morning you don't have to work, so right now you rush out everything? Chatting to girls. This William, never put his profile picture, must be a bad boy. William, do you drink or not? Do you club? Do you party? William must be single. Must be single, available, and ready to mingle. This guy, bad boy, talking to girls. You see? This guy, bachelor life, okay? Single, 100%. Krista, what? Oh, yeah. Random is a smart guy. Krista. Is there anyone called Krista? I don't see anything though. Okay lah, to be honest, I'm not really bad that kind, I think I'm alright, I got 良心 ah. Aiyo, go and text girl. Aiyo, this guy, bachelor life. Like to flirt with girls. Okay, guys, because tomorrow is FOMC, right? Likely, I don't think I will stream until that time lah. By that time, I think I really going to die liao. Then, if you are uncomfortable or you are still, awake at that time, you can watch for the FOMC. So maybe about, I think you need to stay awake from 2 a.m. until about 3 a.m. around there. And you see what's the movement. If you start to see those trades coming down, get out of your positions. Because for me, likely, if really things turns out bad, I will take the loss. Because by then I should be more or less asleep. Why alternate coin is so weak lately when Bitcoin was still holding? Alternate coin. What's the ticker symbol for alternate coin? Do you have? Alternate or is ALTUSD, is it? I think it's this. No, this is not alternate coin. ADA. ADA. Okay. No, actually it follows though. I think it follows. You see, I show you one thing. We go back to the daily chart. I show you this part. Um, okay, alternate coin actually top on 3rd of December 24. Then after that, it started this consolidation, right? So remember 3rd of December, 24. After that, you go back to BTC. Oh, no, what is this? Wait, BTC USD. Okay, we go back here. And then we look at 3rd of December. Oh, really? Like, it didn't actually move. It didn't move much. Because more or less, you can see Bitcoin also top around January. But then the 20th January compared to the 17th December, right? It's actually more or less around the same top. It's not going anywhere. And it just, came down after you have this huge rally, and right now it's still consolidating. But your ADA, right? This ADA, it did almost, I think, something a little bit similar. Whenever Bitcoins move up, you do have all this huge move as well. But the move is not as large as Bitcoin. It's, more of a consolidation like that. Okay, Roderick, you're back. Roderick today. Hey, Roderick today not number 1 now. Just now I saw you number 1 and now you are number 2 now. William today number 1. Okay, PEPE. PEPE. Okay, Richard, have you traded a lot of those, different types of cryptocurrency? And is there a crypto that, that outperform Bitcoin? Thank you for the likes. Thank you. I know you all spam your fingers, spam until break out. Is there like yeah, I think easiest I just ask, Perplexity. Yeah, yeah, I also think so. From what I see, I think Bitcoin is one of the strongest one. Okay, there are actually a few over here that you can take a look. Maybe I zoom in for you. Yeah, you can see there are some like what the PEPE, the one that you just mentioned. So it gains 621% in 2024 alone. So there are some over here. Yeah, Solana. Is Solana really good? This one 900%. Yeah, but if you talk about, consistency, most of them, it looks like only, outperform for 1 year and that's it already. So maybe these are the trends in those other cryptocurrency. So once you get that one outperformance for maybe near to a year or something, you get out there. Don't get it, after that, don't trade it for a while. The Solana looks pretty strong though. Let me go back to the chart and see Solana. Right now it doesn't look good. Yeah, it's only that one time it actually outperformed Bitcoin that year only. Yeah, you have to do a little bit more research on this. For me, usually my style of trading, I like to, choose the boss to trade. I don't like to choose number 2, number 3. I prefer to choose the boss. The reason is because usually the boss is difficult to overtake lah. There's a reason why they are the market leader. So even if you choose number 2, 老二、老三、老四、老五 to overtake 老大也是 like it's going to take quite a while. So from the top 5 company that wants to overtake the big boss in the as the leader, it will be difficult. Okay, I'm not heavy. I'm only at times. At times, when there are good opportunities, I will buy a little bit. Yeah, like right now, okay, I can show you for Bitcoin. If you look at my chart, right, usually like you'll see those boxes area. So you can see there are a lot of boxes in this area. So that's the time during the US presidential election, I started trading it because I think that Donald Trump will become the president and I think Bitcoin will fire up. So that's when I traded Bitcoin, MSTR coin and everything. MSTR gave me the highest RR. It was about 1:32 around there. But then the MSTR is a day trade, so not a big size. Overall, my account for one trade, just for one trade, it increased about I think 10 over percent, about 16% around there. Other than that, this period I have not traded Bitcoin for the longest time because Bitcoin is in this consolidation since I think the whole of 2.4. Then I didn't trade it, and back then when I first not first lah, when I did trade a little bit of Bitcoin, I think was the 2017 area, somewhere here. I think somewhere around here. Then maybe COVID period also a little bit, and that's it already. Yeah, I'm not like the full-time Bitcoin trader. I don't look at them every single day. As of Bitcoin right now, I don't think I will have any opportunity until it comes to about 100,000. If Bitcoin comes to 100,000 breaking below here, I will definitely withdraw my trend line. I will draw something like that. But this trend line is a bit, too flat lah, too flat. By the time Bitcoin go back to the trend line, I already miss a big portion of the move already. So as this price action develops, I will adjust the trend line along. Yeah, usually even like right now, if I like Bitcoin, I will go and take either Coinbase or I take MSTR. But for now, try to avoid MSTR because MSTR has this the first class lawsuit from a shareholder claiming the company misled investors about its Bitcoin strategy and treasury operation from 30th April 2024 to 4th April 2025. So roughly about 1 year already. So this news might, might plunge MSTR all the way. That right now we are actually on the 4-hour chart to around this low before you get maybe some sort of relief rally. If not, maybe flying up from here. Okay, BTC forming MCD. What is MCD? Okay, guys, every time you give me those short form, sometimes I don't quite understand though. Because I know the trading world is always evolving, and then there are a lot of new terms coming out. Double top. MCD is double top, meh? This one new term ah? Huh? What is MCD trading? What is MC? No, not McDonald. MCD. Oh, McDonald. Okay. เข้าใจแล้ว word, okay, M, where you see the M, this M McDonald. This one looks like the inverse head and shoulder. This one is the inverse head. There's the inverse shoulder, Bitcoin can fly from here. Double top, where you see the double top? Oh, okay. I think you see double top. Double top, this one, this and this. Okay, what's your thoughts on circle CRCL? Just now I think I saw random comment, right? Did he write something? Random, hey, random. The lucky draw, you can always participate, lah, huh? Relax, relax. Oh, random never write anything. Okay, okay. Okay, we go to CRCL. CRCL. Coming to this group, most importantly is that everyone makes money in the long run. That will be the ultimate goal. If everyone can make money, I will be extremely happy, my friend. Okay, Richard, regarding this CRCL, right? Katie Wood just bought at I think around this price, if I'm not wrong. Just now when I was looking at her portfolio, she bought it. So we try to find her CRCL. She bought at 151. So it's actually below her entry. And this lady, sometimes she a little bit sway. I followed her for a number of years already. She always like to, buy at the top. I have no idea why. But she's quite a sway lady. But in the long run, because she's using a cash account, so she can hold for years. So if you're using a cash account, you can be like her as well, hold for years. But me, I cannot. Okay, so I will not follow her, especially stocks that just IPO. If you all really want, like I always say, number one thing, right? If you want to know what stocks to buy, look at the fundamental of the company. If you want to know when to be aggressive or defensive, look at the macroeconomics. Okay, look at macroeconomics. So it will tell you when to be aggressive, when will be defensive. Like tomorrow got FOMC, try to be a little bit more defensive. Then where to enter and where to exit, look at technicals. Okay, even on a technical standpoint, to me this is like, maybe if we get some more pullback, I will buy. Maybe I will buy, but I will take profit very, very fast. Because a lot of those IPO stocks, I don't see them, shortly after IPO, then it will just keep going up, going up, going up, going up like that without any pullback. Normally, what I see is that, they have a huge move. After that, it will keep doing this. Keep doing this until, coming back to about the IPO level or below. Then that's when it will stuck here very flat for a very long time. Before then this flat pattern can last for like maybe 1 to 3 years before you get another huge move going up. So normally I don't recommend chasing IPO stocks. But then of course, if someday your account grows into 1 million already, you can apply to your broker to become an accredited investor. Then from there, right, they will open up special instruments for you to trade. So those stocks that are about to IPO, you can buy them first. What is Genius Egg? I also don't know what is Genius Egg. What is Genius Egg? Genius Egg. Is it in the economic calendar? No, right? Nope. It's something unique. What is this? Legislation. Okay. Oh, stable coins. Oh, this is actually about cryptocurrencies. Yeah lah, you all every time make me OT. Yeah, this kind of law thing, I don't think I'm someone, who can advise you for the US law. But if you ask me Singapore law, I still can help you lah. Okay, BBAI. BBAI. As someone actually talked about this stock before though. Big Bear AI. Okay, yes. Who talked about BBAI? Okay, William. William is the one who talked about BBAI, right? And just now there was one more stock. What was it? The CRCL or something like that, right? Okay. Richard, what I mean is that something like this. Do you see BBAI? You see after IPO, it hang a bit. After it have a huge move going up, then it comes all the way, chop for the very, very long time, spike again, then chop again, spike again, chop again. After it spike again, come down again. So what do you expect in this area? Likely history will repeat, it will chop again before you get another huge spike. So it's like a waste of time, to go and invest into stocks like that unless you seriously know about the company. For me, this type of stock I need to do a lot of research. Oh, Richard, is actually another angle for CRCL tomorrow, which is also stable coin related counter. Okay lah, Richard, you if you know about this stuff, you can go ahead, because for me, I can tell you honestly, I don't. I know nuts about this. Yeah, so what I can give you is only the technical standpoint. Yeah, I can't help you much on this lah. Yeah, so hope you don't mind. Yeah lah, you guys every day make me, OT more and more. Usually I only live stream. Initially standard 1 hour. Then I increase, okay? 2 hours. Now every day 3 hours. Yeah, this is my commitment to everyone coming to join me or anything lah. Yeah, William, introduce me more good stocks, not this BBAI. I'm scared of this. When I all the yes, correct. Random when the call start. Okay, when the call start and if things does get a bit out of hand, I will reduce live streaming. Maybe I will reduce to about 3 days. Then after that, the other 2 days I will do everything with students. Then of course, maybe we can also start earlier sessions, maybe about 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. We start with the students first, then after we start live streaming. So different approach lah, different ways to get things done. Yeah lah, from 12:30 a.m. Then next time 1:30 a.m. Oh, okay. PANW can PANW. Okay, 1 minute. I close my fan. PANW. Let me take a look at the weekly chart again. Okay, I do like this PANW because rarely, really rarely you see those IPO stocks like, for example, PANW IPO in July 2012. After that, it started that rally from about 1 year later, November 13. Okay, after it just it goes up like that. So these are those like very very rare stocks. Normally, newly IPO, you don't really see this. But of course, I like this PANW because right now, I do think that potentially it will come all the way up to break this all-time high. For now, I still can't tell. I still don't see the structure where it will come down here all the way to break this low. I can't see that. I don't see that at all. More or less, I think if you are looking to buy this, even on the 1 hour, right? I think just now there was some opportunity for you to buy the breakout trade. Then after maybe you place a stop loss somewhere around here, like 197.3 or something like that. Then you see whether this stock will fire off or not. Hey, Richard, thanks. Yeah, I'm just sharing, things that I know. I say it many times. Usually things that I don't know or I have little bit of knowledge, I don't talk about them. Because I also, some people here really listen to whatever things I have to say though. There are like there are a few guys over here, uh, and at that point of time, I think we still don't know each other very well, and they took those traits that I call out. Yeah, so live streaming can be dangerous, that kind. Okay, your snow. Hey, snow is nice, huh? Okay, snow is nice, guys. Snow is nice. Roderick, why you cry? Yeah, I really appreciate all your all your supports and your trust and everything, but trading is something that I myself I take consecutive losses, that kind too. Just that market, we are not in a bear market yet, or market didn't tank. But if when market tanks, sometimes I get caught in it as well. So that's when things might turn out a little bit more different than right now, because right now market is stable, very slow, have been going up for about 2 months, so everything is good. But of course, sometimes I can more or less tell we are going to get a larger pullback or something. I will let all of you know, and whatever trades you take is going to be on a higher risk side, and do respect your stop losses. Snow is actually another nice one. I like this so much. I need to write somewhere though. Snow. If not, I will forget about it. Number one, snow. Uh, AFRM. Nothing here. Okay, guys. Any more questions? I OT another 15 minutes here. Okay, double pay, huh? Yeah, roll the rig. If you see that trigger, type inside the group. Okay. Say, guys, look at snow. I will definitely go and look. I think snow has the potential to go up. But of course, don't expect a huge move. The reason is because uh, after such a big move, we don't have a huge pullback as of right now. So try to, maybe you get 1:2, 1:3, or something like that. Can decide to get out already. Let me look at the snow history. Okay, let me measure this. One moment. This to this, about this much of move. So I'll shift this over. I want to compare to this. Yeah, possible lah. Still can move up. Maybe still can move up. Because even here, like, okay, because that one just IPO not long. If you compare the impulses, I think more or less I try to be a bit more conservative. Try to book your profit a little bit faster for snow. And snow, right? You have one more resistance at about 225. Yeah, about 225 to about 227. Okay, that's all. GRR. My message not sending. What is GRR again? GRR. GRR meaning. Oh, frustration. Okay, can. How high I think CRCL will go? I don't know, brother. I really don't know. I don't know. I can't tell you for sure. Uh, what I can say is that CLCR, right, you wait for some consolidation here. If you see this consolidation, maybe you can start to buy. But without this, try to be more careful. Because newly IPO stocks, you got no reference at all. You understand? You see this stock, even on the 1 hour chart, this is all the data that you get. You got no reference to where is the support, where is the resistance. The only support that you can see is somewhere here. But your resistance might be over here. And that's all. Whatever, when this CRCL starts to go up, you don't have previous data or historical data for reference. So I can't tell you how high it can go. But of course, if you want, right, I can use this for you. You can see whether it actually fit your rule or not. But then you can take a look at the target. Maybe if you have a very high target, you can target about the negative 0.618, about 205. What happens on my chart? Why like that? Is there... Yes, Roderick. Snow is definitely looking for that breakout. Like out of the top diagonal line. Yes, correct. It's actually consolidating under the top diagonal line a little bit, which is actually very, very nice. Actually, at this current moment, I don't have, because tomorrow we do have FOMC, and even if you look at the US market, right, US market we have been going up for good 2 months plus already. I think about 2 months, 2 weeks without any meaningful pullbacks at all. So if you look at SPY, from this low over here on the 7th of April, it went up all the way here. So we went up roughly about 71 days already. 71 days without, a nice pullback at all. So right now I'm actually looking for, let's say if you go down to the 1 hour, I'm still looking for SPY, to pull back. Then after that we should be able to get a huge move going up. Then of course, if you were to look at the seasonality, so this is the seasonality for S&P 500. So I have already extended up to 60 years of historical data, and you look down here for the month of June. Today we are on 17 June. Look at where is the data. 17 June, it dumped all the way down until 26th of June. Of course, historical data doesn't represent today's data, but it's something for a reference. So usually the month of June, it can be quite slow. Okay? Oh, this is SPY. Yep, Roderick. I do like snow. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's like, it's consolidating under this trend line. Now, right now we are on a 5-minute chart. So if this consolidation done, we might be, firing off already. Snow is beautiful. One of the best setup that I can find within, I think, these few days. Yeah, don't miss snow, okay? I think this one easily can give you, I think 1:3 shouldn't be much of an issue. Let me see how long. Let's say we put at a higher price, we put a stop loss somewhere around here, breaking above the high. Yeah, I think 1:3 no issue this rate. 1:3 no issue. Yes, likely I will enter. Okay, random. I'm also going to sleep there. Go non. Sleep, hug my baby girl. My baby girl is getting more and more big already. Okay, maybe give her 1 year more. She doesn't want to hug me anymore. Non is in Thai. In Thai is called sleep. Go sleep. Babe ah. Oh, babe, I don't know. I never said that word. Babe. Oh, I can't remember anymore. Yeah, because my wife, she speaks to baby in English most of the time. Because I'm not, I'm not from Thai, and the way I speak is not accurate. Oh, your auntie also Thai. Nice. This is fate, okay? Your name and my best friend name is also the same. Okay lah, guys. Go sleep, go sleep, go sleep. I can do my but that's the thing, random. My Instagram doesn't have a lot of followers. I need more followers, everyone to share. Then after that, maybe I can gain more followers in a short period of time. Okay, headphones and table to give away. Okay, guys, go to bed. Okay, go to bed. Tomorrow you can watch the FOMC. Ken, Randall, I will definitely try lah. I will definitely try. Yeah, Randall want to help me, gain as much follower as possible. But these few days really not bad. Recently, every single day when I live stream, I get about 30 followers. These 2 days, quite consistent already. 30. Initially only 5, now 30. So you give me 1 more month, maybe every day 100. But have to have all of you around. Without you guys, no viewers already. 100 by then, I think the chat will be difficult to manage lah. Okay, there's one more guy coming in. You see, I can't end the live stream, you guys, make me OT all the time. Yeah, I need to find a way to, to watch all those, chats and everything. Go. Right now you are actually at support. Do check, see whether the market will hold or not. Because if this hold, you definitely can get another more upside. This upside, I think likely it will break the all-time high around here already. Then it will keeps going up. But the next target, I'm not sure where it will go lah. So likely, a conservative one maybe about $3,650. I think might be possible. Aiyo, why everybody want me to OT until so late? I know you're all full-time trader, okay? Don't need to work. Tomorrow I need to work. I need to run my business. Wait. Let me see tomorrow's schedule first. Wait. Tomorrow. Now Wednesday. Okay, today's still okay. Thursday, I have a very, very early appointment. Yes, Roderick. Now the average viewer is also not bad. Sometimes we see 30. There's one time I saw 40. Tesla, how? Tesla, I'm actually, I think no issue lah. I don't see much of an issue in Tesla. Maybe worst case, maybe it comes to about 295, 290 area, then the upside will start. But for now, I don't see that. I do think that Tesla around this area, it will stall already. At least stall. Maybe chop up and down very, very slowly. Then after that, you will get that move going up. OT until 1 a.m. GG Spy. What happened to Spy? Job, Yeah, lor, guys. I think the way it's moving make me feel like exiting everything. Okay lah, guys. I also don't know what to do lah. Later on after I end the live stream, I take a look again. Relax, think objectively. Buy one jackpot if today go red. Okay, Mindy and guys, thanks for the follow. Thank you, thank you. You really need to sleep now. Us put airplane to Middle East now. US put airplane to Middle East now, really? Serious ah? If serious, I close everything MRVL stop loss ah. Oh, okay, that's not a very good thing. 68. Yes, correct. Roderick is 68. Correct. Oh, but for defensive, okay lah. Standby lah. Standby. Standby still okay. Okay. Funny uncle. Okay, good night, random. See you, my friend. Good night, good night. Okay lah, guys. Go to sleep now. Non. Okay, I go hug my baby girl. She's going to become very big out. Oh, okay. Roderick, I help you with this first, 68 cost the line you draw. Let me see. Nope. Not because of the line I draw. Roderick, I have a strategy, for gaps. So I actually use gaps as a support or resistance. So somewhere around here is like your, support. Yeah, but right now, if the overall market, were to pull back, I think everything will take a loss. So it will be good to, exit earlier if really that were to happen. But most importantly is tomorrow. Tomorrow, the FOMC, likely, maybe, we might see some sell-off. Then after that, goes into FOMC. And right now, it does look like it's coming down. So I think after I end this live stream, I will try to manage the position a little bit and update the group. Okay, guys? Bye-bye. Good night. I will see you soon. Bye. Okay, good night, everyone. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.